go finish.
They're literally running up these stairs.
Ari's doing awesome filming her and not getting caught, but I actually had planned to have Hudson film her today, but he's in New York filming the absolutely scariest video he's ever done.
I want to leave.
So when this video's finished, go check that out, but don't do it before you go to bed because it's spooky.
She's a little girl. She could be anywhere. Like, she could be under the sink. I have no idea.
Man, she's good. I'll give her that. Pretty solid at hiding. Salish!
What happens if a student catches us, not the principal?
We can pay them $50 so that they won't snitch on us. You have $50, so we'll just pay them that.
Isn't this your channel?
It's not her channel, it's my channel.
I don't have $50.
You don't have $50?
You don't trust me with $50.
Who's this?
I'm not Salish.
Where is this Salish girl?
The principal is right there. He's literally in the same room. He's 10 feet away from Salish. Open the door and this thing is over.
We're so close, the bell just has to ring, and then I win.
Wait, Salish, look.
We win 5 minutes. Please don't let the principal catch us. Just ring, ring,
So
ring.
close, only 5 minutes.
Yo, Salish, what are you doing? This is crazy.
Chill.
Is Gio trying to distract everybody else because he actually knows where Salish is hiding?
Where are you? God.
He's going right above us.
Wait, hey, wait. Hey, what's going on? Hey, everybody come here. Get over here.
The principal is literally right there.
There's just 1 minute, dude. You're right there. Just open the door.
Hey, wait, where's that girl? Where? Come here.
That's the principal.
Wait a second, you guys stop. You guys need to get back to class. No. Hey, come here, guys.
Somebody find her, please. 30 seconds.
Everybody back to class.
Oh my God.
Dude, I only got $50. No $50. Oh, at least school's over.
Yeah!
No! Please don't buy a car.
All right, we won!
Yes, let's go. I'm so hyped we won. Let's go, Salish.
Dad, we won!
Congratulations. What do you do with the money?
I think I'm gonna buy
Salish and I are going to visit the coolest YouTuber houses in the world. Houses with countless secret rooms.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is awesome!
A literal Batman mansion. You haven't seen the rest of the house.
This is really cool.
This is better than any house I've ever seen. And we're also going to see how your favorite YouTubers live their lives. Some are a little messier than others.
How are you living here? Like, what are you doing?
So first we have...
This is Brett Rivera's house. I don't think he lives here, but we're gonna find out today.
Come in.
Oh, hey, Brett. Oh,
This is my security guard. You like it?
not really.
No? Oh my gosh, you came with gifts. Why does it say happy birthday?
Imagine it says happy housewarming.
Cool. Do I get to open them right now or?
No, I'll show you them at the end.
Oh, okay. So wait, why are you here? I'm confused.
Well, I kind of want a house tour of your house.
Why'd you say it like that?
As Salish is checking out Brent's house, I'll be with the Anazala family has a brand new mansion. Wait, that's Batman, right? Is that Batman? That must be expensive. Oh, I've never seen one of these spinny things for a car before. It's super cool, but it kind of makes like actually getting in the car harder. Yeah, I'll just have them do it. I mean, I think we've already got a 5 out of 5 for vibe, right? But let's check out the rest of the house.
Welcome to our new house. Welcome.
This is crazy, actually, Mila. Wow.
Come on in.
What?
You know what they say, hard work pays off.
I guess I got to start working hard.
Yeah.
This is like the game room. We play pool. Do you want to do the first shot?
Sure.
That was really bad. Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, I got it in.
You can't do that. That's not allowed.
Yeah,
Not
it is.
allowed. No.
Actually, I'm pretty sure it is allowed. I have a couple questions. Is this actually your house?
Yes, it's my house.
Are you sure?
Do you think that I don't live here?
Exactly. Someone is lying about living in their beautiful house. We came here with the excuse of visiting for a house tour, but we're here to figure out who is the liar.
Did I grill you when I went to your house?
No, but you know what I see? Aww, this is so cute.
I didn't put that there.
Usually people are in charge of what goes in their house. All right, anyways, let's go.
Salish, I did not put it there.
It's okay, I know you did.
Okay, so I am judging your house on hospitality, fun factor, and vibe. So you have to be nice to me. The house has to be fun, and the vibe has to be awesome.
I don't think we have to work a lot on the vibe.
Oh, you're that confident in your house already?
Do you see this?
So this is our humongous balcony.
How long have you lived here? I can't believe you haven't told me.
This is actually our first night here.
This is your first night here and I'm invited? Oh, wow. What's this?
Just if you want to take a little step in the water, go over here if you're too scared to go in the pool.
Why is it so shallow?
I don't know why you're asking. This is my first day here.
Got it. Oh, what's this?
This is the jacuzzi. We can come in the jacuzzi all together and watch the beautiful view.
I love and hate you guys right now.
There's also a pool under there.
So that sounded like a question.
Pool.
That sounded like a question. Okay, wait, I gotta get my mind around this. You have this and then an entire other pool down there?
Yes, we have another pool.
And do I get to be invited ever?
There's a 60+ rule that don't get invited into.
I'm not 60, so I don't know what you're talking about.
70? 80. 9.
You would know how old I was if you ever check famous birthdays, but since you're not really listed on there like I am, I guess you never look.
Aren't you like the last one there? Is it like Salish number 1? Why are you even here? Why is Salish not here?
Right now, Salish is at Brent Rivera's house. Comment below which one is nicer.
This is like the living room area. This is my TV, my fireplace.
What do you watch?
Everything.
With who?
Just by myself.
Is it your house?
Red.
These flowers are so pretty.
No, I don't touch that.
They're not real.
Yeah, they're not real flowers, and also.
So this is fake?
What? No.
Oh, it's fake.
No, those are not fake. No, those aren't fake
This?
either. No.
Is this fake?
Ah, it's my real laptop.
Well, if you live here, what's one room you wouldn't want me to see?
The YouTube planning room.
Okay.
No, wait, are you? No, Salish, you can't go in there. How did you even know where this was?
Were you in like a movie or something?
It was like a show.
Here's the whole spot for my dad. Sometimes he likes to sleep
No,
here.
I sit here. I like to sit here more.
Why are you arguing?
Okay, well, don't worry about it. We're good. Okay.
He's just a baby, so he sleeps every time here.
I used to love them. I already hate them for this house.
This is so comfy.
Oh my God, that was 10 grand. What? Oh my God.
I don't understand how you guys did this whole thing and nobody knows about it. This is crazy. You guys are seeing their house first on my channel. That is so cool.
I thought it was Salish's channel.
I never even knew you had a channel.
This is my channel. It says my name. Salish has her own channel. It's called
Usually just search up Salish.
Wow. Can you keep touring me? Because I'm having a hard day so far. So far, this mansion is amazing, but wait until you see Salish's next tour. She has to find 5 secret rooms in under 15 minutes.
So these are the ideas that you wrote up in your house. Lexi on her date. She still doesn't have a boyfriend.
She's gonna get mad at me whatever I say about this, so
Okay.
I'm just gonna say nothing. I bought my new assistant a car. That is not an idea. But
What about I bought Salish a car?
how old are you?
15.
Wait, but 15 and a half is when you get your permit, right?
Yep.
In 6 months, remind me not to drive.
No, you should drive. I'm gonna be like a really good driver.
I don't know about that.
I filled my house with ball pit balls. That's a good idea. Comment if you want us to do that.
What, that's my idea.
Whatever. What's your nicest car?
I got a red Ferrari F8. Are you writing an idea down underneath the video ideas now? Salish drives my Ferrari? No!
So I'm gonna go learn how to drive it.
Well, no.
This is where all of us slept as a family when we're having our movie night.
Oh, you have a movie night. So this is your room? Is this the master?
That's where we spend most of our life.
That's interesting artwork.
Yeah, that's what he wanted to
Don't worry
look
about
like,
it.
but you know, it didn't work out.
Look at this view from their bedroom.
This is the best part of the house.
Whoa. I've never seen you wear leather.
Trying to get a new look because he looks like a nerd right now.
Did she turn into Salish suddenly? Oh, he's taking over my style.
No taking stuff, mister. Keep stuff where they are.
Please.
What is
Put
this?
it down, put it down.
Okay, sorry. I just want to talk.
Okay, I'm bored here.
Oh, okay, I guess we're leaving. Okay.
Welcome to my master bathroom.
Do you guys have a Batman thing? I didn't know you
Oh,
did, but like.
you didn't see my new car outside?
No, I saw it when we came in.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, because Noah's been liking Batman.
So you bought the Batmobile?
It was a challenge, actually, for one of our videos that we still didn't release.
Okay, whatever. They have 4 shower heads. No, actually.
This is actually my R8.
How do I start it?
I'm not gonna tell you how to start
I
it.
press the...
See, she doesn't even know how to start a car. It's loud, huh?
Yeah! How do I stop it?
All right, just press the red button again.
I'll trade you this car for a really nice red Tesla. It has a seat warmer, really good music. You can even roll down the window.
How do you have a Tesla when you're only 15?
Don't worry about that stuff. All right, let's move on.
Isn't the Tesla your dad's car? I've seen him drive it multiple times.
No, it's not. No, I got a new one.
I don't believe you one bit.
Well, I don't believe that you live in this house. There's literally nothing in this house. Everything's so perfect and clean.
It's because I am a clean person. I keep things very organized. This is the bedroom. This is where I sleep. Those are my new clothes.
Are you sure? I've never seen you wear anything like that.
Well, look they still have a tag on them, which means that
They're fake.
They're fake. I can actually prove that I live here. This is my bathroom, my shower, my 2 sinks, and then, look at, this is proof that I live here. This is my closet with all of my clothes.
No, these are for sure fake. Guys, comment down below if you actually think that Brent lives here.
Guys, I live here.
I don't know.
Where are we going?
So whose room is this?
This is the guest room. This is where guests stay. This house is perfect.
Yeah, perfectly not your house. So what does relatable mean?
Relatable is like my brand.
So you're 28,
27.
and you have like a gazillion dollars?
No.
Yeah, nice and relatable.
Now we're gonna go downstairs.
This is incredible. What's all this? This is so cool. Whoa!
This is the living room.
This is a serious living room.
Here is outside. No doors, just this beautiful view.
So you have 2 floors of epic views.
Yeah, I just feel like this is your vibe though, right?
Can Salish buy it for you? When we invited you, I thought Salish was coming.
She should be the main person up here.
And then when I saw you, I was like, what? He's still doing this?
You know what? For hospitality, you're losing a lot of points.
No, please.
No, stop.
Listen,
No.
you're not giving
losing.
us a chance.
You're teasing me a
Who are we
lot.
competing against?
Brent Rivera, and then other people I can't say yet because it's a secret until we get there.
This is better than Brent's house.
This is better than any house I've ever seen.
Here is where Noah likes to sit the most because it's mostly Spider-Man. I mean, Batman.
No, she knew that. She just slipped up.
What about this bike?
Oh my God.
You can't sit on the couch. That's rule 101 of the house rules.
I'm sorry, you're right, but I was so excited
Please
about
stay
it.
away from that bike. You could step on the couch, do not touch the bike.
Why do you have a Harley Davidson inside?
That's the Batman. Oh my God, this guy knows nothing. Okay, let's move to the next one.
You're old enough to know every movie in the whole entire world, bro.
I think you might be watching Salish too much. Are you hanging out with her a lot? You sound like her now. Sassy, broing me everywhere, age jokes. What's in here?
Since your house is so empty and doesn't seem personable, I got you some gifts. This is the first one.
Well, that's very sweet of you.
I know. Oh my gosh, just open it.
I like opening.
No, let me open
I
it.
actually like
Let me
opening
open
presents.
it. Yeah, let me open it.
Oh, it's a picture frame.
It's a picture of your family.
That is not my family. That's like some random stock image of a family.
I saw this at Target and I was like, oh, that's probably his family.
No, it's not my family. What makes you?
All right, anyways, next. Those are your cute little dogs.
Just 2 random dogs.
No, what do you mean that?
If someone asked me where these dogs were, what would I say?
That they're in your real house. And this one should hang right on the door, right so that you can see it first.
Oh, I'm excited.
This is the best one.
This is the best one.
Yep.
My profile photo?
Yep. Oh, you should change it.
Why?
Isn't it obvious? All right, well, you should take these photos back and hand them in your real house. Bye.
This is my real house.
It's in.
No, it's actually my house.
Nope, it's not.
You're just gonna leave now.
Yep.
You guys want to go with her, or you guys want to stay here? All right, okay.
Have a good day.
See ya. Bye.
The gym.
The gym.
This is where Daddy and Mommy work out, and sometimes even me and Noah.
That's weird. I didn't know Anna's worked out. You can't tell.
Wow. Okay. The old guy is in again.
How's that look? Oh, okay. Ow.
Sounds like an old man. See, even Noah works out.
You have no idea how much I would love a
You
gym.
would actually live 20 years more.
I just don't understand why you keep telling me this.
It's just a fact.
Just facts, mister.
We still have one more cool thing to show you.
Okay, let's see it.
This is what we call the garage.
Do you see my car?
What do you
So
think?
this was just up there,
Yeah.
and now it's down here.
Yeah, we just moved them.
So you have a hydraulic lift that goes from outside to in here,
Yeah, because sometimes we want to drive it, sometimes we just want to showcase it.
and then the showcase, you see it from the living room.
Yup.
And half of LA can see it too, if you haven't noticed.
This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna give you a massive vibe. This is vibing. This is vibes. I'm so excited for you guys. Actually, this is crazy.
All right, so I think we have stuff to do, so...
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, I have to go.
Yeah.
I was thinking I would just hang out. This house is so
No, we
awesome.
kinda
Well, I had an appointment, actually, so I'm
Villa
kinda
school
late. Yeah.
is
No, the appointment.
appointment school. Appointment at the school.
Yeah.
Gorgeous house, but because they kept teasing me that I don't live there, 3 stars. Both Brent and Anazala seem suspicious. Is one of them lying about this being their house?
Brent's place looks brand new. I don't think he even lives there. Whoever's house that is gets 4 stars. Brent gets 1 star because he let me try out his car.
Next, obviously, this is Ben Aslow's house because, I mean, look at the car. So this house would be really nice.
This is James Charles's house. This thing is massive. James Charles is a massive beauty influencer, and his Morphe palette was the #1 selling palette in history. His new beauty brand, Painted, has the #1 selling product on TikTok Shop.
Hey, Ben.
Hello.
So this is your house? Yeah, a little messier than I thought. I'll be right back. 1 second. Here we go.
Wait, are you kidding me? Seriously? Okay, my house does not smell that bad.
Hello.
Hello, James. Good to see you. How are you doing?
So this is Finn again, and this is Theodore.
Salish wants another dog. Which one would you like to give her?
Oh, Theodore misbehaves more.
I'm gonna spend the rest of the day convincing James to give Salish Finnegan.
I brought you a present, and I'll give it to you at the end of the tour.
Can I have it now?
No.
I have something for you too. My house is filled with secret rooms. I'm gonna give you 15 minutes to find all 5 of them, and if you do, I will give you this brand new iPad.
Oh, and if I get it, I'm gonna give it away to a subscriber.
Fair enough.
This is my home. I bought it back in 2021.
This is the most remarkably beautiful home.
Oh, thank you.
If I work really, really hard, by the time I'm your age, will I be able to afford this?
Aging backwards would be an incredible scientific, discovery.
The first time I ever met James, I asked him how old he thought I was.
Let's say 59.
Okay, you want to keep it?
62? Oh, that was even worse.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
At the end, James is going to try to make me look 30 years younger. What could possibly go wrong?
Your time starts now.
What are these? Are these like sheets stapled?
They're definitely not bed sheets. There could be a secret room in here, so if I were you, I would keep looking. In here, we have lots of boxes.
Wait, stop.
Are you gonna try the fireplace, really?
Yes.
That's the fireplace that I've never actually used.
Ugh, bro, how are you even living here?
Sometimes I get a little busy filming videos that I don't have time to clean up the house, so.
It's pretty easy to just throw all these away, you know?
I'll do it tomorrow. Oh, we're going this way, okay.
What's in here?
We're squeezing through.
I really don't like wine, so I have a Coke cellar instead.
Can I get one from the display?
No.
How old are they?
Honestly, you don't want to find out. I really love Legos and puzzles as well. The Taj Mahal, the piano, I built the Eiffel Tower.
You're very gracious to have us here, and you have great energy, so your hospitality's looking good so far.
That fridge, if I were you, I wouldn't open that fridge.
What's this?
Does it not smell funky?
Yeah, it smells really bad.
Oh, boy.
Where is the Febreze?
It's literally not that bad. She's spraying my pantry.
Yeah.
The fridge might be a little rotten, but it's okay. Well, thank you, Salish. You know the clock's ticking, right?
Yep, let's go.
You want to look 25. We have some work to do.
So I'm getting a makeover at some point today, and we'll see how that looks.
We have kumquat trees, lemon trees, lime trees, orange trees, avocado, mango.
I think at our house, we have a bush.
Are you just spraying Febreze everywhere?
What's this? Ew.
You haven't found a single secret room, you know that, right?
Yeah, I'm aware.
Secret rooms and couches are very popular.
Yeah, I know. You had one.
Yo, wait, it's a slide!
Me too!
Do I have one here?
I don't think you do.
I don't think you're looking hard enough.
Maybe it's inside of the TV.
Good thing it was already broken.
Wait, can you do a backflip?
I can't.
Salish has been trying to teach me forever. Wait, you made that look so easy.
It is easy.
I'm just gonna move on.
This is the game I don't know how to play.
Okay, I won. Let's go. Moving on.
So did you choose to have this side?
It lights up. It lights up.
You said you had a girlfriend?
Yes. This is cool. I mean, Hannah likes it. Come on.
Later, Salish tours a house that isn't even built yet. Is it really their house?
Wait, what's this button?
Wait. Stay light up.
It doesn't do anything.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it must be out of batteries. Normally it explodes the entire planet.
We should put some batteries in it.
He doesn't have an elevator. We have an elevator.
When you're getting into your old age, like you are, stairs become really hard.
Let's go look in this oven thing. I don't think it's in the grill.
There is a secret room outside, so let's see if she finds it. It's pretty hidden.
I know for a fact that there's gonna be one outside. Hey, Sandy, we're going up here.
No. Where are you going? She found the treehouse, but will she find the entrance?
I don't see anything.
How does she not find it?
Oh, there's a ladder?
Salish has found the first secret room. It's in a treehouse.
Hey, let's go. I mean, Ben, this isn't that secret.
Well, there's still 4 more, so you gotta find the other ones.
Wow, nice in here. Ew, there's a water man.
I have a stylist who works with me to put together all of our outfits for red carpets, for events, for videos and stuff.
You get invited to red carpet and stuff?
Yeah, do you not?
No, I probably just missed the emails.
Right. So this is my bedroom.
I'm giving him 0 just out of envy. Coming up, watch James give me my first professional makeover.
I don't know if I've ever dealt with these type of wrinkles before.
I have no idea what he's going to do. Actually, look at me. I look like younger.
It's been 5 minutes. You have 10 left.
Are there any more outside?
There might be a secret room in the pool. Underwater secret room.
Let's go.
Clock's ticking. Do you want the iPad or not?
Oh, it smells nice in here again.
It actually smells better. I'm not going to lie.
I found another secret room.
It's just for the AC. It's an attic.
This should be a secret room. Oh, let's keep going.
So this is like the James Charles closet. All the most iconic outfits that I have worn on social media, whether it was to Coachella or to different commercials for my brand or for things throughout the years. Everything is in here.
Lexi Rivera has already been in here and done a house tour with James. So if you want to see more of the house, go to that video after.
I feel so bad for Hannah. Does she live with you?
Yeah, she lives with me sometimes.
It would be terrible living here. Let's go in here. This looks suspicious. Hold up. Oh, look, Sandy, I think I found it. Hey, Sandy! I found it!
No! That's 2 down! You weren't supposed to find that one! In order to officially find this secret room, we do have to jump into it.
You know how like when you buy like a Rolex or like a vintage watch, they hold their value? So like Birkin bags from Hermes is the same thing.
In addition to the new dog, I think Salish is into purses. So if you could, which one could we give her?
Maybe you'll have to like bring her back next time and she can make the decision herself.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
If I brought her back, could you guys do some makeup together or something?
Yeah, of course.
All right, well, comment below if you want to see that.
Yeah.
And then Salish gets a purse out of the deal.
Well, we'll see about that one.
Here we go!
Woo! Hurry up!
All right, I'm in.
3, 2, 1.
Yo! Yo!
Oh my gosh, this is awesome!
I decorated this one to have a bunch of TVs, video games, beds, lights.
I think this is awesome, but does Hannah like it?
Every time we build a room like this, she tells us not to do it. So to be honest, no, she hates it, but I like it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. What if I told you there was another secret room entrance inside this secret room?
Why don't you keep giving the tour? I'll be right back. I just have to use the bathroom real quick.
Downstairs is really cool because a lot of houses in California don't have basements, but I do.
I do not recommend 4-year-old Coke.
Jordan, that's like his special Coca-Cola.
I know. He's not gonna notice. He'll never know.
The clock's ticking. You literally only have like 4 minutes left.
All right, let's go. I mean, this kind of looks a little weird.
I don't think so.
Ew, there's spider webs.
Salish, it doesn't count unless you exit the secret room through the other entrance.
Okay?
Oh, she's doing it. She's doing it.
Sorry.
What took you so long?
I was using the bathroom. Awkward question.
Let's head into the best room of the entire house, the production studio.
Okay.
This is where all the magic happens. This is our TikTok shop set. So we're one of the top brands in makeup on TikTok right now, which is super exciting.
Wait. Okay.
You have now found another secret room entrance.
So I only have 2 more?
You only have 2 more.
All right, we gotta hurry up.
Do you dabble at all in skincare?
When you're developing it, it's really important to use the right ingredients, the right products, especially like nowadays, all these little girlies are running around Sephora and buying like skincare that's intended for wrinkle reducing and lines and all these things. Maybe one day in the future, but for right now, I'm not a skincare expert. I focus on makeup.
And skincare should be made for younger skin too. And there's not a lot of skincare out there for younger skin. Yet. Next, Salish is going to design a YouTuber's house, and they are not gonna like what she does.
Ben, how much time do I have?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? Whoa, what's this?
That's nothing.
It looks like a door. Oh,
No, how is she finding them all? You found the 4th secret room, but you have 40 seconds to find the 5th one. I would start going.
Okay.
Come on.
So what we're gonna do with Jordan here is we're gonna attempt to actually make him look 25. I can only do so much, people.
I don't think I've looked in this room yet.
Okay. Clock is ticking.
All right.
Clock is ticking.
Wait. Did I find it?
She has 10 seconds left.
It's right here.
You found all 5 secret rooms.
Hey, let's go.
All right, so we're gonna conceal. This is really the stuff that's gonna hopefully de-age you a little bit. I don't know if you've ever dealt with these type of wrinkles before. I'm drawing on eyebrows from scratch. I don't want to put them in 2 separate locations, you know?
Scratch!
I think the transformation is complete.
Salish, you found all 5 secret rooms in 15 minutes, which means I'm giving you this brand new iPad.
Thank you. And now I'm gonna give this to a subscriber, so check in the description how to get it.
At the end, we will reveal which YouTuber is lying about living in their house.
If you guys are ready for the Jordan Matter glam reveal, give this video a big thumbs up down below. Let's get ready for the reveal in 3, 2, 1. Voila.
Whoa!
Here's your gift.
Oh, thank you.
It's so nice.
This looks expensive. Jewelers. Whoa. Oh, that's so cute. It's a photo of me and Hannah inside of a heart necklace. Thank you.
Of course.
That's so thoughtful, Salish. She's gonna love it.
No, it's for you. Put it on right now.
I have to wear it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
It's not really my style, but like, it's a nice gift.
Yeah. Wow, it looks so pretty.
I feel like it would look better on Hannah.
Nope, now let's take a picture of it.
Wait, what?
And perfect. Now let's post on Instagram.
No, Salish, don't post that on Instagram.
Bye, nice to see you.
Just don't post it, no.
Bye.
Salish, don't post it. She posted it. Salish!
Ben's place was a mess. I can't believe Hannah puts up with that. But I like the 5 secret rooms, so 3 stars for Ben.
Are you Jordan?
The house is stunning, 5 stars. But all the old jokes kind of knock the overall score down to 3 stars.
This is such a nice neighborhood, but next is Lexi Rivera. Wait, what? Is this the right address?
Yeah.
I was kind of expecting like a full house. Okay, let's look. Oh, there it is, the front door. Oh, hi, Lexi.
Yeah, there's no door. Can I offer you a hard hat?
A hard hat?
I'm having a bad hair day, so that's why I'm wearing
Oh.
mine. Well, it looks like we both are.
Oh,
No, I'm just kidding.
okay.
I'm just kidding. Did you bring me something?
It's your housewarming gift. You'll get to open it at the end. Let's get
Come on
started.
in.
How long have you lived here?
I actually bought this house in 2024, and
Okay.
I'm renovating it. It's in the same neighborhood as my brother and my parents.
Oh, why would you want that?
In case like there's a spider. This is the foyer. Obviously, we're gonna put a front door there.
I think this should be like where your room is.
That's why you're not the contractor.
I don't know who's telling you to have a door and then the foyer or whatever.
The foyer.
The foyer.
Yeah. This is gonna be my office. Some wood paneling, beautiful French doors.
What's a French door?
Doors that just like open up, but they're like,
So a door.
yeah, just a door.
Did you like want to sound fancy?
When they open up, they actually say, oui, oui. That's what makes them French. Is the hard hat maybe too tight on your head? Because you're being really mean.
What are you even doing in an office?
Get stuff done. I am a businesswoman.
Are you?
No. Over here is gonna be the gym.
So is the gym just gonna be like for show?
No, Salish, I actually work out.
Are you sure about that?
You're not invited to my home when it's finished.
Well, I have the address, so you'll see me sometime.
I actually don't know what all this is doing in here.
I thought you were building this.
I'm not Bob the Builder, Salish. I obviously have a team doing
You
this.
look like Bob the Builder with the hat.
Aren't you supposed to be like putting the mic under my mouth when
Yeah,
I'm talking?
sorry.
Thank you. Okay. Not like in my mouth.
I'm done hearing you talk.
We're gonna make this like a gymnastics studio.
A trampoline in the middle, beam on the side, the bar right here.
This is actually the first good idea you've had. I would consider making this a little gymnastics gym, sure.
Consider, no, we're gonna do it.
This is gonna be my bar.
So is that like what older people do? Like you just drink it all day?
No, I actually don't really drink. The bar is gonna be for my friends.
Yeah.
This whole thing is going to be all windows.
You want all windows for the natural lighting to make you look younger? That's what my dad does too. This is gonna be a smoothie bar. Strawberry, mango, pineapple, you're gonna need a blender. Just for when I come over.
You are gonna visit, right?
Maybe when you're not here, I'll visit. You're gonna have a new fireplace right there, a really nice couch, some chairs right here, some more windows.
It's a good thing that you're not a homeowner.
I am a homeowner, actually.
Which home do you own?
My room. Are you a homeowner? This doesn't look like a home yet. Oh, there are plans. It's okay, I can read the plans.
I don't know if she knows how to read plans.
Sheer wall to remain. Got it. So I see a new fireplace. I can actually understand that. Why are you having a new fireplace?
The old one was old.
It was probably built when you were born.
I'm not that much older than you.
Yeah, you are. Look at our height difference. How tall are you? Like 4'10"?
I'm actually 5'1".
You are not 5'1".
Yes, I
Look
am.
at your huge.
Don't show
Yes,
these.
look at them.
I'm kicking the camera. I'm kicking the camera.
Let's go back to the plans.
I want her out.
Shouldn't you be like married right now with like grandchildren already?
Shouldn't you be in preschool right now? Oh wait, it's your dad calling. Hey Jordan, yeah, I have your little 5-year-old here and she's being really mean. No, I don't have a car seat to take her home in.
All right, let's go to the backyard.
This is going to be completely different. It's going to be very much French countryside vibe.
You keep on
back
saying
here.
French. Is the pool also gonna say wee wee?
Instead of saying cannonball, you say wee wee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you play golf a lot?
I do actually. I'm pretty on par. Get it? Do you even know what that means?
I don't think you do either. Oh God. What?
Yeah.
Lexi, why is there a golf thingy?
Well, that happens a lot. I live on a golf course. I'm gonna just throw this back.
Okay.
Yeah. Salish, what are you doing? Why are you writing your name on my wall?
There we go.
So where is my present?
Yeah, you'll get that at the end. I think it's the best thing I've ever given someone.
Really?
Yeah. I hope you get like a better ladder.
There's gonna be a staircase here. Come on, Salish, let's go. This is going to be my movie theater.
Oh, a movie theater.
Wow.
Who are you gonna watch movies with?
Just
Your
my
friends?
Yeah. Is that hard to believe?
Yeah, a little.
When I came to tour your house, like, you were kind of sassy to me, but I felt like we were friends in the end.
I mean, I think you were kind of sassy to me.
I actually don't like your room. It's not dreamy. I think it's more of like a nightmare. Well, can we maybe settle the beef?
No.
I have my hand out.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay.
So instead of making that like a living room, how about you make it a pool and you jump into the pool?
Or maybe like a water slide entrance?
No.
Yeah. I'm extending this out to over there, and it's gonna be a little
I don't think they care.
hangout area up here. Okay.
Oh my gosh! This is gonna be my room!
This is obviously going to be my room. So this is my second closet.
Why do you need a second closet? You're 4 foot.
I have a lot of clothes. They may be tiny clothes, but I still need a lot of room. This is the bathroom for the closet.
Why does the closet need a bathroom?
Well, in case I'm trying on clothes and I have to go to the bathroom.
I think this should be a bedroom.
This can be your bedroom. That's enough space for you because you're 4 foot.
I'm still growing and I think you've kind of stopped. Also, you've probably shrunken already because you're like so old.
I was gonna do it, but I couldn't. Okay.
I'm done with this house tour. Thank you, Lexi. I have your housewarming present.
I'm coming.
Here's your housewarming gift.
All right. Oh, I'm excited. Oh.
This is my old welcome mat.
Wait,
and
this is used?
No. Yeah. So I got this when we first moved into our current house.
So it's a
I
used.
just wanted to give it to you because I just bought a new one.
Just a used mat, then.
Yeah. Lexi, I think you should be a little more grateful.
Honestly, Salish, this last hour of you touring my house has been the worst hour. Let's headbutt. Right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for the
here's
gifts.
your hat. Bye. I'll see you when your house is ready.
Salish, do as the mat says and stay away.
But actually, the mat says stay a while.
Oh.
Since Lexi's place isn't even a house yet, 1 star. Also, she didn't invite me back, so actually 0 stars.
Now it's time to reveal who was lying about their house.
This isn't our house.
This is a prank!
You pranked me?
Yeah, that's why we were so confused about the house.
What?
So we actually live 2 blocks away.
I know.
We wanted you to love this house and be emotional so that you can move closer to us.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's so sweet. Thank you.
It's only $30,000 a day.
Day?
Yeah.
Check your Amex.
You did not do a day rental on my car, did you? Today, my daughter Salish pranks her best friend Nidal all day.
Can I get a selfie with this thing?
Yeah, get a selfie.
Everybody's shipping us. Do we ship too?
All right, you can leave. You've embarrassed yourself enough.
6, 7! And then gives him an emotional surprise for his 15th birthday.
I'm hiding at the Santa Monica Pier, and Nidal has no idea I'm here. You might be wondering how I'm gonna give Nidal dares if I'm actually at the park. I just set up this whole bed so that it kind of looks like my bedroom, right, Colin?
Yeah.
I'm on the Santa Monica Pier. I'm about to meet Nidal, and I have to convince him that Salish is too sick to join him.
Imagine me just like, hey Nidal, I'm sick.
I think Nidal is over here. He has no idea I'm coming to see him right now.
And then I'm gonna be FaceTiming him from here and giving him dares.
Oh my God. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, jeez, wow, okay. He almost flipped me. Like if he didn't hear my voice, I think I'm flat on the ground. So Nidal came to LA. You had no idea you were gonna see me.
I did not.
Super excited to be with me. Let's go, hug it out, yay. Salish is not feeling well, but she is going to FaceTime you a bunch of challenges. If you get through all the challenges, then you will have your birthday present waiting for you at the end. Juju, does he want this birthday present or no?
Yes, he does. I confirm.
And you're not capping, right?
You're not capping.
Is that cool? Was that just cool? No, okay.
Say.
What?
I'm getting a call.
Hurry up. Okay.
Do not show any of this.
Hi, Dad.
All right, say.
Hi, Nidal. How are you?
Great. What about you?
I'm sorry that I couldn't come. I really wish I could, but the doctor said that I was contagious.
So you hate me?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Wait, that is not her. Look, she has a blanket as a wall, bro.
Yeah, why do you have a blanket on the wall?
blanket on your wall?
What are you talking about?
If Nidal figures out that Salish is in the park, her big surprise will be ruined. And that's gonna be super disappointing because the surprise we have planned is awesome.
Your first challenge is there's 5 Salishes, and one of them has a memory, so you have to go find it.
All right, bye.
Oh, I get it.
Bye. That stupid blanket!
You sold so hard.
Next time, I'm gonna be like that.
Oh, and see the light and me in the background? I don't know.
Okay.
We didn't even start and he's already suspicious.
Blanket on the wall, that wasn't my fault.
somewhere in this park, there's 5 different Salishes.
It's so nice to meet you.
You have to find people that look like Salish. There's one very identifiable characteristic that if you see, you'll know it's them.
One of you are gonna have this heart pop it, and that's gonna be the memory of us, so he has to come get it, okay?
Good luck.
Go, go, go. Just make sure you look like me. Thank you guys, bye. All right, let's go, come on. Whenever I want to get around the park, I'm gonna use this, hopefully, new trash can, I think. Call it. You're gonna be the one that's filming me from the park from a distance, okay? So you're just as like a trash can guy.
How do we look though?
You look great. And then Rowan, you're gonna be the one that's pushing me around.
Oh, we're just like employees at the pier. Can I have my camera back, dude?
Now I gotta get into the trash can. Rowan, he already is kind of on to me, okay? Every time he's near, you're gonna go like this.
The first time we ever met, we had to get a new shirt because I got hers wet.
Oh!
So let's see if it's
Let's
here.
see, go get the same shirt. It might be a memory. Nadal's trying to find the shirt that he bought Salish 6 years ago.
You gotta get it. Get it. Say, get it.
What do you think I'm doing, boy? Well, he does the first challenge. I have to check on the photo booth, and I'm so excited.
What's the photo booth?
You'll see later, okay? This is the photo booth that my dad put together so that I can surprise Nidal.
No way. Bro, this is my photo booth.
But I haven't seen it yet, so my only chance to check it out is right now before Nidal finishes his first challenge. Ah! Oh my God!
If you yell, he's gonna hear
I'm
you.
sorry, it was a little alarming. I'm just tipping over like that. Oh my.
While Salish was trying to survive inside her trash can, Nadal didn't waste any time. He immediately found the first person that looked like Salish. You found one person, but she wasn't the right person. The correct Salish is the one that has the giant heart poppet. But the only thing Nadal knows so far is that
We gotta look for people in Sincerely Yours hoodies.
It's definitely not comfortable.
Do you see another Salish this way?
I do. Do you have the memory?
No, I don't have the memory.
Keep looking. You found 2. You have 3 more to find. Yeah, come on, 3 more.
Guys, I'm actually so excited to see Nidal. It hasn't been like that long. It's been 2 weeks.
Salish, we're here.
We're here?
Yeah.
Where is he?
I think he's on the other side, so we gotta be quick.
But unfortunately for Salish, Nadal just decided to go in her direction. And if Nadal sees Salish, the whole surprise will be ruined. Hey, are you sure you want to go this way?
Is that telling me to go this way or not? I don't see anyone in Sincerely Yours.
Guys, he's right there. He's right there.
Hide.
If Nidal looks back right now, I'm cooked.
You've got 2 Salishes, you need 3 more. Why don't we go this way and look in the arcade? Just giving you a hint.
In the arcade?
Maybe you might want to look in the arcade.
You know what's funny? I said I should look in there, but
Where is he? I need to go in the trash can.
maybe anything this way?
That was so close. Nadal went this way. Right behind him was Salish in that photo booth. I meant to go to the arcade so that he would disappear. Now I gotta go talk to Salish. This is the photo booth that I put together for the final surprise. It's gonna be awesome, but wait until you see what it looks like. Salish and Nadal both are gonna flip out because neither of them know what is behind this paper. You're gonna wanna wait. It's so good. Did you see that? He was right here. He was right here.
I saw. You gotta go.
Okay, I told him to go to the arcade, so we're good.
Can you get the trash can, please?
Yes. Have you checked what this says? What do you think?
I haven't looked yet.
Okay.
Dad,
Also, can I just tell you one thing?
No,
that was the worst.
Thank you.
That bed was the worst.
Thank you.
Bye. You have to do me a favor.
Yeah.
Do not tell Nadal Salish is here. This whole thing is a surprise to him. Do not tell. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do not say a word. Do not say a word. Do not say a word. Please, please.
All right, guys. Let me rip it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, well, I actually gotta go back into the trash can. If he sees my face, he's gonna know I did it. Get me back in the trash can. Go.
What other memories could we have that I did not just walk through?
This surprise could be ruined at any moment now because Salish is going back to her secret bedroom, but what she doesn't know is that Nadal is going in the same direction.
Oh, wait, cameraman, you're gonna have to speed up with me right now.
All right, this is bad. Right off the bat, Nadal is right next to the roller coaster, which is exactly where Salish is gonna be walking by. Hopefully she's hidden in the trash can.
Hide.
I just tapped 3 times.
Ready?
Cameraman doesn't slow down.
All right, bet.
Cameraman doesn't slow down. I caught you. All right, do you have the memory?
The memory?
Yeah.
No, I don't. Try another Salish.
What? Okay, give me a hint. Is it this way or this way?
Try that way.
All right, I got you. All right, appreciate it.
Bro, is it clear? Can I get out?
Yeah. You're good. He's right there. Oh, he's taking photos with people.
Okay, get me here.
Go inside.
What the heck just happened?
That was good. Dude, no, it worked perfect.
Oh my gosh, my heart was beating so much. And also, I am so dizzy. I can't see anything. And you're not the best with that thing.
Yeah, you're kind of a bad driver. You try,
I'll be
Colin.
going really fast and I'm stopped suddenly. I'm like,
Is your name Salish?
He just went up to a random girl and asked them if they were Salish, and they weren't even a Salish decoy, bro. Ow! Oh, wait, he found one!
That's the one.
He just jump scared a girl, and she's the one that has the memory.
You know what's funny? I knew it was gonna be this.
Really? Come here.
I appreciate you.
All right, Nadal passed his first challenge. What's this memory? I want to test you to see if you remember it.
Whenever she was in California and I was in Texas, she literally cut it in half and gave me a piece of it, and she had the other piece, and we took like hella photos with it too.
Oh, he remembers the memory.
Okay, I'm confused. Why is there a pen?
I have a feeling that has to do with your second challenge. But first, I just want to reminisce about that. It was so sweet. They were so young.
They're reminiscing about our memories.
Aww. He's not crying, it's just me, so you're not emotional.
Not really.
Nadal obviously misses Salish, but what he doesn't realize is he's about to see her as soon as he finishes her challenges. Hey, let me call Salish and see what she says. I hope she's feeling better.
Shoot, he's calling me. He's calling me.
He's calling me? Oh my God, how many more challenges are there?
Oh, you're gonna do 6, 7 challenges.
Jordan,
wait, how is it that it's cringe when I do it, but when Salish does it, it isn't?
It is cringe whenever she does it.
That's cringe too. Okay.
Say he's calling.
Say, here's Nadal.
Bro, I wish I could be there so bad right now.
Wait, how'd you get sick?
I don't know. I think there's like a flu or a fever or whatever going around at school.
Oh, that sucks.
Have you seen the TikTok like where you drop a piece of paper and then the person behind you picks it up and hands it to you? You just gotta drop the paper and whoever comes up to you, you gotta autograph it.
Oh my God. Wait, that's so smart. Okay.
I think he's embarrassed, but it'll be fun. All right, see ya.
All right, bye.
Feel better,
Have a
little
nice
girl.
day.
Bye.
Thank you. I sold. Or I sold. I worked it. I cooked.
Good.
He like actually believed me. He was like, how did you get sick?
This is how it's supposed to work. All right, go ahead. Excuse me, you dropped your paper.
Huh?
Drop this.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Right? That's how it's supposed to work.
Nadal's outfit doesn't really match. Once I see him, I'm gonna be like, we gotta get you a new outfit. Oh, he dropped it and no one came. Bro, he's losing aura by the second. Bro, imagine he never passes this challenge and then he'll never get the gift that I got him. He's been talking about it for a while, but first he needs to pass all the challenges before I can give him the stupid gift.
How are you not able to do this? I don't understand.
Bro, I don't know.
And when we were about to give up, a random family asked Nadal for a photo, and this happened.
Oh, shoot, no. Oh, yeah, here, look. I got you. Here. Link.
Thank you.
Oh my God, that was embarrassing.
Oh, he did it!
He just signed the paper. He just did the challenge.
Did it!
They took it seriously. Oh, that was good.
Wait, so does that mean he's gonna call us?
Time
Or?
for the next challenge.
I'll have Salish do this too when she's feeling a little better. I want you to just say a couple of your favorite memories from this area, okay?
Okay. A couple of my memories are?
Actually, I'm curious about his memories, but I need to talk to Salish.
Whenever we first rode the dragon ride together, when I splashed water on her when she had to go get a new shirt.
You gotta like really sell it this time though. Like you're
I'm
sick.
sold.
You're sick. Like more like coughs. Like you're.
The first disguise that I used was the trash can, but my second disguise is like so much better.
Wait, what is it though?
It's basically the mascot of this park, which is an octopus.
That's so good.
Okay, Salish.
What?
Dude.
That was good, right?
It was, you keep putting the camera so I see all this behind you.
Really?
Yes, really. Just keep it on your face.
Right now, we need to come up with an excuse as to why I had a blanket as my wall.
I don't have time. I gotta go make sure he's okay. You figure out the excuse. That wall would have been
What do
perfect.
I do about it?
That wall would have been perfect.
No, because when I'm blank,
It was so obvious. Now, guess what?
I'm gonna be like this.
He's pretty sure you're here now.
Really?
Already. He's like, oh, so Salish is here. I'm like, no. Then you know you gotta get into the costume right away.
Oh, coffee.
Was that my best?
Yes, you're Okay, I get it. I have a feeling he's gonna notice.
He might, so just be good. I'm about to call you with Nadal.
We got cotton candy one time.
It was on the boardwalk and it was kind of
Fancy, come on. You know that? That's my song.
Are you done with your memories? Let's FaceTime Salish again. Come on over here.
He's calling right now.
Oh no! Hi, Dio.
What's up?
Did you watch that last effort of him, the autograph at the end?
Yes, bro, you lost so much aura in that.
Alright, bro.
Alright, so what's the next challenge?
Do you know what the mascot for the park is?
The mascot for the park? No.
It's octopus. So you're gonna have to get a photo with the mascot.
Okay, well, where's the mascot?
I don't know. I think it just walks around anywhere.
Alright, let's go find it.
Let's go find a mascot.
An octopus mascot.
Nadal doesn't know it, but Salish will be dressed as the mascot.
I can't see anything. Where am I? Am I straight?
You're about to run into a wall here. say.
I can't see.
Do you know where the mascot is? Mascot? Anyone? No one? Alright.
I can't see anything at all.
See that photo booth?
Yeah?
Might just be important to remember where all of them are.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Well, that's another photo booth. That's another one. Why is that one all decorated? Not decorated, but like has something on it.
Taped up? Maybe it's a new one. I don't know.
Guys, I actually can't see.
This Juju Nadal's brother, obviously. Does Nadal have any idea that he was coming here to do a video with us?
No idea. I told him I'm filming a video with you. He's what video? I was like, we'll figure it out when we get there. We'll figure it out when we get there.
Okay, so he had no idea. Do you think he's suspicious right now?
He's just probably focused on whatever you're trying to tell him to do right now.
So he's not thinking Salish is here?
No.
Okay, just between us, Salish is in the mascot.
Ooh,
Let's go. Let's go. All right.
I'm such a walk them and I can't see where Rowan is. They're looking at me. You describe how uncomfortable this is.
Do you know where the octopus mascot is?
Sorry, you know you can.
Do you know where the mascot is? It walks like this, he said? Oh.
People are looking at me.
Let's take a guess. What do you think your present is?
I actually have no idea. Because you said I really want it. There's nothing that I really want that bad.
Uh-oh.
What?
Well.
Shoot, Needle's right there. I'm right behind them, and I think they see me.
Hey, buddy, we caught you. Is that Salish in there?
No, that's not Salish. All right, you want to get your selfie real quick?
Hey, so wait, can I get a selfie with this thing?
Yeah, get a selfie. Hold on, wait. All right, bye. See ya. All right, let's keep walking. You got your selfie. Let's call the next challenge.
How far?
We're almost here.
All right, can someone take this off of me?
Make sure you watch because Salish has been planning this surprise for weeks.
Okay, okay.
Oh my gosh. Colin, that was so bad. He knows it's me. He could see me, but I have an idea, okay? How about we put a body double in the costume? So then for the next challenge, there's a mascot following him, and he's like, fine, let me just take it off and make sure it's a body double. So like it looks close enough to me, and then it will relieve his suspicion, hopefully, okay?
All right, go change.
I'm gonna change my jeans.
All right, I'm about to call Salish, but what are you thinking?
I think the octopus was Salish. Like,
why?
I could see a little bit in there, and I'm pretty sure I saw Salish.
I want to ask you, when was the last time you ever saw Salish wear a costume? Never. You think she would put on that silly octopus mascot?
For me, yeah.
I don't think so. Not even for you. Let's FaceTime and you can ask her yourself.
Okay, got the jeans back on.
You changed your shirts, eh?
Yeah.
He's gonna see it on the FaceTime.
For the next challenge, but you're right, okay.
You can like lay down. You don't have to like be sitting up.
Like this?
Yeah.
He's calling.
Oh, give me the phone, give me the phone.
Tell her what you're thinking.
I think you were the octopus.
The one that surprised you with the squid or whatever?
Remember when she corrected me and she said the one that surprised me? Either she watched it go down or she was the person.
I'm not gonna tell you if it was me or not, but it might have been someone that looks like me.
Or it could have been you.
Or it could have been somebody that looks like her. Anyway, what's the next challenge, little girl?
You have to go to Scoop's ice cream, and then when they hand you the ice cream, you have to grab it by the ice cream, like the ice cream, and then you gotta eat it.
All right, that sounds easy enough.
You don't have a problem with that?
No.
That's not embarrassing to you?
All right, let's do it.
Yes. Oh wait, Nadal, she wants a photo. I'm stalling so Salish can get in her outfit and serve the ice cream.
While I'm getting ready to serve the ice cream, a body double is going to hide in the mascot, so Needle will know that that's not me.
Pretend to change your battery.
I'm gonna hand him the ice cream. That's my job. Call him.
What? Wait, I need those.
Is this too much?
Why would you be wearing sunglasses inside the ice cream shop?
I don't know. Team Jordan.
Team Jordan, I like it. Thank you. Ari, is yours ready yet, or what's going on?
No, I need a minute. I'm sorry.
Ari is continuing to stall until Salish is ready to serve the ice cream. Do you want to go double check?
Like, sure. Wait, okay, that's not Salish. Is it? I know it wasn't Salish though.
Wait, he's about to take it off. He's taking it off.
How long have you been in this?
I've been in there for like an hour.
It was never Salish. It was always her. It was just like a thing to mess with you.
I'm so confused right now.
Looks like Needle fell for the decoy, and now he no longer thinks it's me.
I'm not eating all of that.
What?
I'm not. Oh.
I got you wiping out.
Really?
It fell.
It works though.
Ice cream fell.
I thought that it was him grabbing it.
I'm offering Nadal Wonder for photos. There you go, everybody. I'll be right back. Salish's plan failed, and she actually ran away. I have to stall and find out what happened.
When the ice cream dropped, I couldn't see anything. So I was like this so I wouldn't see anything. I thought that he had grabbed it off. So then I let go of the cone.
You want a picture? All right,
This whole thing is falling apart. What happened?
I thought that he had grabbed the ice cream because it didn't weigh anything anymore. So I just let go of the cone.
We didn't see anything, Salish. All we saw was the ice cream go plop on the ground, and we weren't even anywhere near you.
Good. What about the mascot? Does he fully believe that it was the
He's pretty sure it was you, but then it threw him a little because of the decoy, so that was smart. That was actually smart. Dude, he's done. We gotta go. I gotta go right now. Ow!
Dad!
Yes!
Do the bar hang!
Did you do all your photos?
Okay, technically, I had another challenge planned for right now. I still haven't really seen the photo booth and tested it. I'm just gonna call Needle, or he's gonna call me or whatever, and I'm gonna give him a challenge that will delay him so that I can go check out the photo booth. And I guess the trash can again.
Back in the trash can.
Woo. Yay.
Say I'm getting a call.
Okay,
Wait,
chill.
where is he? Oh, he's right there. He's outside.
So we're out here having a lot of fun. I don't know if you watched that last challenge. It kind of fell apart. They dropped the ice cream.
Wait, what happened? I'm so confused. The next challenge is that you have to beat my dad in an arm hang.
An arm hang? Okay.
Hold on, wait, no. Dude, Salish, I don't think I can beat Nadal in an arm hang.
Yeah, Needle can beat you.
So you're just doing this to embarrass me?
Mm-hmm.
All right, bye.
I really hope this works. I need to test the photo booth.
Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a very special opportunity. First time ever, live. Nadal Wonder will be singing Everybody Shipping Us.
Whoa, I never saw that. Everybody shipping us. Do we ship too?
Everybody shipping us. Want to know it's true?
Everybody shipping us, but maybe we're just friends.
Everybody shipping us. Wait till the end.
Yeah! I gotta go.
We're right next to them. We better not get caught.
Oh, wait, like we're going up in the air?
We're here. Yeah. Hop out.
My plan is to have Needle take a photo thinking he's alone, and I'll pop my head out while the photo is being taken. He will only realize I was there once he sees the photos. I have to time it perfectly. Rowan, you sit here, and I'm gonna go practice right there.
Okay.
Does he look like he's struggling?
Oh, you're struggling.
You know what? I just feel bad for the kid, right? Like, I don't want to embarrass him in front of all these people. You know what? I might let myself go just so I don't embarrass him.
Hey, wait, was that it?
This is probably the best surprise idea that Salish has come up with, but I don't know if it's gonna work because Nadal is already suspicious, but we'll see if this actually works. Now. Because he's gonna see you if you're there. You have to hear the second beep and then quickly show yourself and hide. This is gonna be tough.
I'm gonna find somebody who you can't beat. You wanna take somebody else on?
Yeah.
I had to stall for Salish, so I got the strongest guy I could find to challenge Nadal in the hanging contest. He just looks like quietly confident, and I'm starting to see a little nervousness in Nadal's face right now.
No, because this isn't an old man with like a McDonald's on his forehead, you know? This is a big step up.
If you win, you get $20.
This is going to be tough, but my dad and Needle are right there. I hope they don't see Rowan.
How you doing?
Great.
Okay, hang in there.
Ow! That was my finger!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Salish, I'm embarrassing your best friend right now, but I wasn't able to do it. So this rip do this. You got it. I believe in you. Oh, he's chilling, Nadal. I'm telling you, he is chilling. He's got no worries.
Okay, that was good. Rowan literally went straight through the crowd.
Went right by them.
He made another challenge that I would have more time, but thankfully I'm already back, so now I can just watch him.
You want to start doing those pull-ups again?
My arms are sore from beating you.
He's coming up with excuses.
He's making excuses. He was like, my arms are sore from beating you.
This is good. This is exciting.
I actually can't wait to do the photo booth challenge. I'm kind of nervous though. It can either go really well or really badly.
Oh, he's struggling. It's over. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Needle lost. That is so embarrassing.
I got the feeling you would have been there forever. There's your $20. Congratulations. Yeah.
Say, he's calling.
Shoot, where's the other blanket?
Say, did you see Nadal just lose in an arm hang?
That was really embarrassing. You let a random guy beat you.
Bro, okay, but that was my second go, and I literally went on the first time for like 2 minutes.
All I hear is excuses. You lost. Basically, the next challenge is you're gonna have AirPods, and I'm gonna call you, and I'm gonna control what you say to girls. So you have to go around and try and get a girl's number, and I'm gonna control you doing it.
You good? You can quit and not get your present.
No, I'm not gonna quit.
Okay.
All right, let's go. All right, Salish.
Go up to the first girl you see that's your age.
Okay, wait, I'm trying to find one. There is no.
Stop where you are.
Okay.
And scream any girls that are 15.
Any girls that are 15?
keep screaming it.
Hey, we need girls that are 15. 15 and older, preferably. 15 and single, ready to mingle.
Bro, are there not any girls that are your age?
Bro, there is no.
Go to the girl behind you. The one in the jacket with the like purse and a bow in her hair.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my brother's girlfriend. Is that your boyfriend?
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh shoot. Wait, like, so do you want a new one or?
Do you hear him? I didn't even tell him to say that. I think so.
Okay, so I got rejected.
Leave!
Shots fired.
Leave!
Abort.
There are so many girls around you.
What'd I say?
Hey, are you a parking ticket? Cause you've got fine written all over you.
Hey, are you a parking ticket? Cause you got fine written all over you, girl. We got it.
No, you didn't get her number. You gotta get her like Snap.
Hey, come back. Hey, baby. She ran away from me.
Okay, I have a new one. You're gonna say, I'm lost. Can you give me directions to your heart?
I'm kind of lost, so I need directions to your heart. All right, wait. That one didn't work. All right. I got a better one. Ready?
Are your parents bakers? Because you're a cutie pie.
Hey, are your parents bakers?
Scream it!
Because they made a cutie pie.
All right, you can leave. You've embarrassed yourself enough.
So, can I get your number?
Yeah. Woo!
You wrote it down in my movies to watch. All right, peace out. I'll give you a high five.
You just finished the challenge with the girls, so now I gotta go into the trash can and get to the photo booth. So let's go.
Yeah, we gotta go.
And now we're getting serious, and it's time to enter the final plan. Nadal's last challenge is to
Go to every photo booth in the park and do a different pose in every photo booth.
Wait, well, there's one right next to me, so.
Okay, we'll start there. Go. While Nidal takes photos in every single photo booth, Rowan is secretly wheeling me across the entire pier so that I can surprise Nidal at the very last one.
Okay, wait, those are kind of hard. All right, ready? Next one.
It was nice that you got a photo with you and Juju, but you should do photos by yourself from now on. These are all for Salish to make nice things. She obviously wants to decorate her whole wall with photos of you.
No, yeah, of course.
Here you go. Just make, very sweet expressions that Salish would love.
All right, ready?
Nadal is right there. And I'm telling you, Salish has been committed to doing the best surprise yet, and she has to beat him as a Starbucks barista.
Happy birthday, Salish.
So let's see what happens.
What Nidal doesn't know is the last photo booth is actually a custom photo booth that my dad made.
Go.
What are all of these photos?
Your dad did it.
Oh my god.
It looks good. Get inside. Go.
I'll be waiting for Nidal inside this custom photo booth, and when he gets here, I'm gonna have this open and I'll have my hand like this. When it goes, I'll be like so excited and also really nervous.
Hey, Salish, these photos are for you right now. Ready? You're gonna like these.
Nadal is doing photos, and I've got to check to see if Salish is ready, because we're running out of photo booths, and I don't know if she's ready for him to do the big surprise yet. Hey, Salish.
What?
Are you ready?
Yeah, it might not work, but we'll try. I'm so nervous, bro.
Nadal is almost done with the photo booth challenge, but what he doesn't know is that we're just moments away from the biggest surprise of the entire day. Salish sounds like she's panicking. I don't know if this is gonna work.
It's me and Salish. Hey, they gave us 4 photos. I put the dog filter on. All right, that's one of my collection.
Salish has been thinking about this surprise ever since he surprised her at Starbucks. I think it's awesome. Let's see what happens. Before we do the next and final photo booth, I have a challenge for you because the TikTok went totally viral on a random account of me doing 6'7" in the terminal.
Okay, so you want to do it?
So will you do that here?
Ladies and gentlemen, it is 67 degrees and it is 67 o'clock. Can I just let everyone know? 6'7"! Hey, 6'7". All right, that was it.
So we're gonna give Nidal his present soon, but he has one more challenge, which is to go into a customized photo booth and get a photo.
What's a customized photo booth?
Well, you're about to find out.
No way.
Let's go.
By the way, this is my face on the Santa Monica Pier photo booth. This is my face. Yo! No way.
I'm so scared.
Yo, I'm wearing the same hoodie. Bro, this is my photo booth.
It's your photo booth. Do your photo. Salish is right here. He's right there. Nadal thinks he's just taking his last photo.
All right, I think they're done.
Did you get them?
I just gotta wait for them to print it.
Nadal had no idea she was there, but he's...
Oh, yes. Wait,
Are you happy? Like, is this the best day ever?
Where did you come from?
There.
I was just in there. You were not in there.
You literally see it in the picture, bro. Look at it. I'm right there.
I know it's cringe, but the Nailish photo booth is kind of funny.
Oh, wait. No.
Before Nadal can get his birthday present, of course, he has to complete a challenge.
We are at Pacific Park on this Sea Dragon, which is personally the scariest ride for me in this whole park. You guys have to do this whole ride without screaming. And if you do it without screaming, I will tell you where your birthday present is. Are you ready?
I'm very nervous.
Me too.
Here they go. The fact is, this is super scary because it's like you're going free falling straight down.
I'm actually scared.
Chill out.
I think they can't do it.
No, stop. Don't even think about screaming.
If Salish screams, I'm not telling Nadal where the gift is.
Don't even think about screaming. No, chill. No, you did not just scream. No, she's laughing. Look. Hey, like, ha 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 ha.
I'm scared. All right, we're good now. It's not scary. Woo!
All right, coming out, I'm gonna tell you where your present is right now. Happy birthday. Congrats. Actually, Nadal's actual birthday is tomorrow.
I think that we should sing happy birthday for him.
Happy birthday to you!
Oh,
happy birthday to Nadal! Happy birthday, dear Nadal! Happy birthday to you! We've celebrated a lot of birthdays together and it's gonna get me emotional, but instead I'm just gonna tell you where your gift is, which Salish got you, but I hid, and it is in the fun house. You got 10 minutes to find it. Go get him.
Hi.
All right.
Oh my God.
There's just me, dude.
This is the entrance.
Please exit stage left.
It's right here. Go! That was scary. Who the heck is that?
Gotta find the button.
Found it!
What?
Whoa!
Yo.
What the heck?
Whoa.
Where are we?
Why does it look like we're all
It looks like you're swimming. Oh no, Nito, another one of these. Nito, wait. Nito!
Oh.
Oh, found it.
I'm such a daredevil.
Nito! No, let's go for a dive and try and find it. I'm not seeing it. Come on, Nito, find it, bruh.
Wait, is it on the roof?
No. Nito! I found it!
No, you did not.
Promise. Okay, Nito, this is your gift, but you're not gonna open it yet. You're gonna open it on your channel.
Okay, wait, so they should definitely go to my channel to see me open it, right?
Yeah, exactly. They should go to your newest video now.
Guys, I didn't say it. She said it. Go to my channel and watch me open this gift. I have no idea what it is.
On a Ferris wheel.
She kind of just gave it away what we're doing, but we're spending 24 hours.
Okay, bye, guys.
Oh.
What is bro doing? Do you need help? Never mind. Okay, do it.
That was fun. Neil, if you want to open your birthday present and everybody wants to see it, go to Nadal's channel. He's going to open it right now and you'll find out what it is because they're going to be trapped on that Ferris wheel. Enjoy.
Come on, Nito.
My daughter Salish has been surprised in some of the most insane ways possible. Here are my 5 favorites. Starting with number 5, an epic holiday house makeover. To distract Salish while her brother transforms the house, I took her to surprise Brent Rivera and the AMP Squad with super fun holiday gifts. Oh, yeah! Okay, I am so excited. I love the holidays. Let's go.
Hold on.
What? What's wrong?
You're not in the Christmas spirit.
Yes, I am.
No.
Green? Okay. All right, well then. What? Sandy, I got you this. You were supposed to poof into this. How cute would this be? Why won't you do it?
Because I'm a teenager now, Dad.
Oh, here, will you hold this?
Wait. What are you doing?
I'm supposed to go through a chimney, right?
What?
How does Santa do this? I
Grab
need
your
a sled.
bag, knocking, walking in, and giving it to her.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
Happy holidays!
Thank you!
She's supposed to be an elf, but she wouldn't wear the thing because she's a teenager now.
Well, I get it. I wouldn't want to be dressed as an elf either.
She's a teenager now. You can open your presents under the tree.
That sounds great.
But first,
You have to do your morning routine in a handstand.
In a handstand? Salish, I just want my present, okay? My Keurig is over here. And then the coffee pot should be in this drawer. Okay, do you see it?
Yeah, I got one.
And then the mug should be up here.
what's great about this is she still needs my help to get a cup. Because even though she's a teenager. Okay, here you go. Did your parents have a hard time when you turned a teenager?
You know what? I'm in a handstand right now, and I just want my
talk
present.
later?
Yeah.
Wait, how do you turn it on?
I don't know. I'm in a handstand. All you have to do is turn it on.
I'm pushing every button. It's not working.
You know what? I'm done with this. Hi, can I please get an order for delivery?
Of course. What can I get started for you?
Just a tall iced coffee rosé. Thank you. Can I please get out of this handstand?
Yes, you earned your present.
My dad is gonna be out with Salish all day, but I have a lot of work to do. First up, I gotta find some people to help me decorate. I wanna deck my entire house out with Christmas lights to surprise my sister Salish. Is there any chance you could come over here with your team tonight?
I don't think we can do that tonight.
Okay, all right, no worries.
We're actually going to be unavailable tonight. We won't be able to make it happen.
Dude, oh my gosh, this is much more difficult than I thought it would be.
Hurry, hurry, we've got a whole day of presents to give.
Here it is. It's really special. I know it's very meaningful to you.
Ooh, oh wow. A necklace? So pretty. Wait, why?
What?
It says Bexy forever.
Wait.
Lexi dated Brent Azelard, but that was 2 years ago.
That was my present 2 years ago. There you go.
Oh, this is the more accurate one.
That was awkward.
Let's see. No! This one says Landrew forever. Oh, and there's a picture inside.
Are Lexi and Andrew dating or just friends? Nobody knows.
Are you gonna wear it every day?
I might never wear it, actually. You know, I think Andrew will like this.
Yeah, give it to him and he'll wear it every day.
I'm just gonna take this.
Oh.
Okay, well anyway, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, bye.
Hey, yeah, sorry, we're gonna be unavailable tonight.
Ah, would it be possible to get this done by tonight?
No.
That was a bummer.
Sorry, we're not in right now.
Please leave a message. Thank you for your call today.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it tonight. Super short notice.
Sorry, I can take your number in case we get a cancellation.
Likely not tonight.
I am running out of places to call. I don't know what to do.
Ho, 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 Happy Holidays.
Oh my God.
All right, okay, right
What's
there.
in there? What's in the bag?
I'm so sorry what happened. I heard, you know, what happened.
Oh, yeah,
I'm so sorry.
we don't need to
I
talk
heard
about
all
that.
about it and I just feel really bad.
I feel a little better now.
I saw your song and I'm really sorry that your bunny died.
No, I thought this whole time you were like talking about my breakup.
No, I mean, I feel bad about that too. But you said in the song that your bunny died, so I got you a Christmas present.
No. My bunny didn't die. That's
Okay.
not what the meaning of the
what?
song. Oh my God, it's so soft.
Okay, don't forget this one. You guys are gonna have so much fun together. Oh my God, you guys are so sweet.
Happy Holidays, aw. Enjoy your new bunnies.
I didn't ask for bunnies.
Merry Christmas.
Jordan!
I have got to decorate this entire house all by myself. No, you're not supposed to show that, Sandy? Sandy? No. It's just me here. It's only me. No one else is here. No one else is here helping me, Sandy. Okay, fine. I got a couple people to help me.
Try it low, little.
No, you do it.
You do it. You do it. It's your turn. Do it. I'm not gonna do it. Ho, ho, ho. Happy Holidays.
I have an amazing Christmas gift for you, but first you have to do a truth and dare.
And? I thought it was truth or dare.
No,
right?
truth and dare.
We asked Instagram. Don't blame us. These are from them.
Go easy on me, okay?
Brent and Pearson are best friends. So are they in love?
This was the most asked question. Okay, ready? Do you like Brent?
How did I know that was coming? I have to answer this if I want to get the gift?
You have to be the truth.
Yeah, I love him. He's a good friend of mine.
Pearson is in love with Brent.
Whoa! I didn't say in love! Whoa!
If Brent was outside in a limo ready to take you on a date, would you say yes?
I just love limos, yeah!
Just girl to girl.
Okay.
Nobody else is here.
Okay.
Are you in love with Brent?
I love Brent. But not in love. In and love are very different. Very different. Maybe one day.
Oh my God, Sandy, can you replay what Pearson just said?
I love Brent.
Everybody share that everywhere. She's in love. Yay!
Okay.
Shower cap and goggles. Am I gonna get slimed? Am I gonna get dirty? I'm out of here. You know what? I don't even want the present anymore. Oh man. What is that?
Your present is at the bottom of the Jell-O, and you have to get it with your mouth.
Are you crazy?
That's the dare.
You guys suck.
Pearson! 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 Pearson!
I swear it's not even in here! You got this! Woo! Are these AirPods?
Yes, they
Oh
are.
my god, this is so worth it! Thank you, Salish! No, come here! Please! See you later!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
What? Nice bike, Jordan.
I found it in your storage.
Okay, you have 3 presents right here, and each time you open a present, you have to eat one of these holiday treats.
Sounds easy enough. 3, 2, 1. 2 jelly beans?
Mm-hmm. Have you ever heard of Bean Boozled?
That's not what this is, right?
It's cherry and lime or vomit and poop.
Which one is it, Salish?
Take it both at once.
Do I want to mix vomit with poop?
Oh.
That is not vomit and poop.
Oh, no!
Speed shoot.
It's a parachute, so then when you jump off bridges, you don't hurt yourself.
If I jump off a bridge, I'm still gonna get wet.
Yeah, but you'll go slow.
I'm taking the risk.
The Say Special holiday drink. What's the grossest drink you can make?
It's an official Starbucks drink.
It might be after this scene. Hey, everybody, here are the ingredients.
Try it.
Oh, this looks really good.
It's even in a holiday cup. You're welcome. It's better if you don't know what's in it.
I'm down for another gift, so let's go. What is in there? Never let her make that ever again.
Hey, Starbucks, if you want to make it official, give me a call.
You don't want to make it official.
Since you're a guy and you're like not that romantic, I thought I would get you something for Hannah.
What? Wow. It has
An
H and it's got diamonds on it. Okay, this is nice. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Tell her it's from you.
All right, boys, how can I help?
You can go up here if you want, bro.
Off the ladder? Oh, shoot. All right, I'm down. Oh, shoot. Hey, anybody want to hold this for me? Thank you, my man. Oh, goodness. Appreciate you. Oh, thank you. Oh, gosh, can I hold your hand?
Sorry, bro.
Oh, thank you. Dude, am I safe?
Hudson, I'm right here.
Okay, all right, I feel better about it.
Most brothers like to prank their sisters, but Hudson loves to surprise Salish. So he took money out of his savings to make this makeover epic.
Dude, fingers crossed Salish loves this.
How is the makeover going?
It's kind of going well. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get all this done, though. I got to go, okay? We're going to get it all done. Go through your shoot. I love you, bye!
Okay, but he just hung up on me.
This makes it feel like it's the holidays. I am so excited. This is the first time we're ever actually decorating our house. It is pretty crazy living here in California and it's never snowing. I know Salish has missed the winter a lot, so I'm very excited to see her reaction to all of this stuff. It really feels like Christmas. We're all putting in an equal amount of work right now.
How are you helping?
This is an important aspect of the decorating process.
Ho, ho, ho. What's up?
He has a way better Santa outfit.
What the heck?
Hey, I'm sorry, man.
This is like my channel. This is my video.
You mean my channel and my video? Okay, Jeremy, do you think you can beat me in a strength challenge?
I mean, I've been working out a lot, and I am like way taller than you, and I'm older than you, so I think I got what it takes.
So if you beat me, you get the small present, and if you lose, you get the big present.
All right, what is small and expensive? All right, I'll do the challenge. I'm not scared. Let's go.
Okay, tuck up, pike up, straddle up. First 1 to 5 wins.
Go get him.
Wait, what is that? What even is that?
Hey, that's it. 3. 4. 4. Wait, it's over.
What was that? And I thought we were going with like the whole like Santa outfit thing, and you're just wearing that.
Yeah, I'm a teenager now. I don't wear silly costumes.
I'm a teenager too.
Guess you don't get the small present.
Wait, what's inside of it though?
You'll never know.
Let's see what's inside of here. Okay, it's another gift. Is there even a gift in here? Bruh, what's even the point of this? 1 pound dumbbells.
Next time you might get close to winning. You got him, Tiger.
You gotta be kidding me.
This is gonna be a massive transformation. I did one of those sections, but I'm gonna take credit for all of it. Let's be real. As you know, Salish doesn't like calling attention to herself, but me, I don't care about calling attention to myself. We're gonna make this epic!
I love Christmas because I can buy so many toys for kids that don't have that many. It's fun giving different YouTubers presents, but I think this is even more fun. People love Squishmallows. Nails, that's cute. That's cute, that's cute, that's cute. I love Legos, so hopefully these kids will too.
You can be Santa's helper this year by donating toys in your community.
The lights are all set up, but the thing I am most excited about, snow! Woohoo! Are those huge things, guys? Dude, it's snowing right now! I never thought this would happen! heaven. We're in California. What? We lived on the East Coast for over 14 years, and Salish is missing snow. But there's one person who misses snow more than Salish does. Me. Oh my God! It's snowing. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh! It's snowing!
Ho, ho, ho! Hey, happy holidays. I'm gonna ask you one question. If you get it right, you get to use this credit card to buy whatever you want for Christmas. If you get it wrong, you get this present. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What is Lexi's coffee order?
Lexi's coffee order.
Tall iced coffee rosé. What if you want to take her out to get coffee?
Yeah.
Or like, what if you want to just get coffee in the morning? Or what if she's sick,
True,
so
true.
you get her coffee? Like, you gotta know that.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, Lexi's coffee order.
He's panicking right now. She's probably watching this right now.
Lexi, if I get it wrong, please don't hurt me. Matcha latte?
Open this present.
Oh my God.
You could have had an unlimited credit card.
Unlimited.
Yeah. Is it still something good?
It's amazing.
Is this like a necklace or something? It's a necklace with a heart and it says, land you forever. Oh. Oh my God. Wait, it's a picture of myself with the flower in my mouth.
Oops.
You didn't change the
I was
picture?
supposed to change it. This gift might or might not have been regifted from Lexi.
Wait, so you're saying you gave this to her and she didn't want to accept
Maybe. Anyway, happy holidays. It's been a long. We got a lot of gifts to get. Bye. Happy holidays. Okay.
Wait, I need more explanation to this.
Happy holidays.
So she don't want to accept this?
How did you not know my coffee order?
I quit!
Hey! Oh no! Wait! Get him! No! Oh my God!
All right, so Hudson just told me to get away from Salish, FaceTime him. He's got a surprise for me. Hey, what's up?
First of all, I'm with your favorite boomer. Second off, we're chilling in the snow!
Wow.
She is gonna freak out, right, Boomer?
That's a lot of snow in our driveway. We're gonna have to shovel that.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
But anyway, that is so cool. We're almost done. I gotta take her to gymnastics, so we have a couple more hours, finish the lights, and then we'll be home for the big surprise.
We're gonna make it look absolutely insane. Bye!
I have a crazy son, but this is gonna be awesome. Ho, ho, ho! Happy holidays!
Oh my gosh. Can I open this?
No.
First, we have a challenge for you. Are you in love with your best friend quiz?
Okay.
I saw that you dated 100 girls, so you must not be dating Pearson right now, but I think you're in love. I had to take this with my best friend Nidal, which I'm totally not in love with, but you have to answer these questions in order to get your gift.
Wow, I feel like I should be hooked up to a lie detector test right now.
We should have brought the lie detector.
This video gets 300,000 likes and lie detector.
Do not cut that.
Do you get jealous when you see another guy with Pearson? Do you guys keep secrets around one another?
No, I would never keep a secret from Pearson. Never.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Do you keep secrets from your best friend?
Yeah. Is Pearson the first person you call when something happens?
I know that I'm the first person that she calls.
Aww.
She's very smart. I like to call her and get her advice on things.
Aww. So romantic.
Okay.
Next question. They're definitely really great friends.
We are. I don't know why you put quotations around that. I'm guessing you and Nidal are really great friends.
Do you take extra time to look good around Pearson?
It depends if we're doing like a fun activity.
I've seen a lot of pictures of you guys dressed up, so it looks like you go out a lot.
Just like friend dates, like the dates that you have with Nidal.
I've never gone on a date with Nidal.
When you guys are just hanging out, you two, what are those called? Uh-oh. How old are you?
13. I just turned 13.
You know, I had my first girlfriend in middle school at like 13.
Oh boy. Oh,
But it only lasted 2 days.
We've discussed 21, 22. She starts on her first date.
Maybe 15, 16.
I don't think your dad wants you to go on a date.
I have seen you kiss her. Do you kiss friends too?
Sometimes friends get kisses, yes.
So you would kiss Ben and Jeremy and it's all the same thing? I'm gonna go with a no. Time for the decision. Based off all your answers, I am judging that you guys are in love. It's a very reliable quiz.
I think that you need to hook me and Pearson up to a lie detector in order to even determine if we're in love or not.
300,000 likes, please. Please do that for us.
I chose a present specifically because you're in love with your best friend. This one's good.
Oh, whoa, it's heavy. Lifetime crystals. What is this?
It's you and Pearson, and you're gonna get married.
This is actually really cool.
Obviously, you're gonna get married with your best friend one day. Bye, happy holidays.
Okay, we are done with presents. I now have to take Salish to gymnastics practice, and then we have to go home whether or not Hudson is done.
Christmas carolers just came knocking. Check this out.
Oh, yeah.
Can you guys sing me one last song? Subscribe to Hudson Matter. Hit that bell.
No.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
Merry Christmas. Subscribe, please.
It's finally time for the big surprise.
They did do a good job with their lights, didn't they?
Yeah.
What about us? Look at ours.
I think we should totally decorate.
We will one day. No worries. Don't worry about it.
Number 4, I had only one day to surprise Salish with tickets to the sold-out Taylor Swift concert. First, I started by calling my friends. First person I can call is Preston because I did a hide-and-seek video with him and there were 50 YouTubers, so at least one of them might have tickets. I had to sit in a box for like 8 hours, so the least that he could do is get me tickets, right? And I didn't even win. I'm trying to find relatively inexpensive Taylor Swift tickets for tonight's concert. That's not the reaction I was hoping for, Preston.
I'm gonna just tell you right now, buddy, good luck. No chance. I mean, I'd like to be optimistic, buddy, but like, I don't think you're gonna get these tickets.
Thank you for your honesty, but I'm not giving up. Preston just squashed my hopes, going with Dar.
Taylor Swift tonight and inexpensive. Do you know it's like the hardest concert to get into in the world right now?
I'm finding that out. I want to have one last summer memory. I know she loves Taylor Swift, so it would surprise her. But see, the thing with Salish is she would never let me spend a ton of money on tickets. They can be back row. She won't care. She would just love to be there. Look, this is going to be my dad dance right here. That was awkward.
Let me make some phone calls and see what I can do. Nothing's coming to the top of my mind right now.
Thank you, Dar. Bye-bye. I'm going to call Ben Asler. He knows people, right? Oh, he's not answering. Come on, Ben. Maybe Brent knows someone. I'm panicking. I wouldn't normally just FaceTime people randomly asking for a favor, but I am today. No answer by Brent. These people are busy. Hey, Brant, just wondering if you by chance have cheap Taylor Swift tickets? I've played basketball with Mr. Beast a few times. I have his manager's number. Jimmy wanted to go to the concert. He'd be in the VIP suite in an hour. I don't have Mr. Beast's number, but if I did, would I actually call him? Yeah, probably. He has a lot of money, so I guess if I had his number, he could just buy me the stadium. No answer. Rebecca kind of looks like a Swiftie to me. Come on, Rebecca. Please, 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 please. Nobody's answering. I'm striking out all over the place. Okay, I saw on Instagram that Sophie Dossi went to Taylor Swift, so maybe I can find out how she got tickets. How was it?
It was actually so fun. I met her mom.
You met her mom?
Yeah.
How did you get tickets?
Instagram got me tickets. They brought like a small group of like creators.
I guess I missed that email then.
Are you on Instagram?
I do Instagram too. I guess I gotta do more of it though. Would you mind just doing me a little favor? Yeah. Could you just call Taylor Swift's mom and ask her to get me 2 tickets for me and Salish real quick?
Oh, I didn't get her mom's number. You have to get Salish tickets. You just have to have the experience of the Taylor Swift concert. Salish would love it.
Okay, thank you. I'll do my best.
Good luck, because I think they're sold out.
I've got one more call to make. My friend Evan is the creator of Famous Birthdays. Obviously, they know everybody there because they have them all in their studio, so let's see if he knows anyone.
Funny you called. I want to take my daughter tonight.
Oh.
Prices I checked are through the roof.
Crazy expensive. What's up?
I'm going to check like last minute.
Okay.
Hoping, you know, some people just re-put the tickets on the market and try to scoop them and take my daughter.
Okay, that sounds like a long shot, but if by chance there's 4 tickets rather than 2, will you let me know?
Sure.
That's a long shot. He's gonna, like, last minute try to get tickets? I don't know. I gotta figure this out. I've got another plan, by the way. It's 3 hours before the concert starts. I am at SoFi Stadium trying to buy 2 tickets. This is my last chance. Let's see what happens. Any chance you have extra tickets for tonight?
Sorry, no.
Okay, well, have fun.
Yeah,
Maybe I'll see you in there. I don't know how trading goes.
I'll pick this one. And then
It's this one? Okay,
yeah.
There you go. And then I get to pick one? We're going with White Horse. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm like a full-on Swiftie right now. Any chance you know anybody who has extra tickets? Can I have your tickets? Sweet, thank you. That's a joke, total joke. I would never take your tickets. I'll give this to Salish if she ends up here.
Thank you.
Oh my God,
Thank you.
you're all giving me bracelets? Oh wow! I've got a plan. Give half of these away, see if I can get tickets that way. What I have to make sure is I don't accidentally give away my daddy bracelet that Salish made me. That would be a disaster. Are all these people here to kick me out?
34,000 on StubHub.
Yeah, that's what we're dealing with here today. Now, any chance any of you know somebody with extra tickets?
No, I'm so sorry.
Texas in a long shot. Serious Swiftie action here. Oh my God, triplets. Is there any chance that you had 2 more and they canceled and you have 2 extra tickets?
Sorry.
Enjoy the concert.
Say hi to Salish.
I will hopefully say hi to her in there tonight. Anybody have extra tickets? I need extra tickets for me and my daughter. I want to be a good dad. Last chance for the summer memories. Anybody extra tickets? I'm desperate. I'm gonna cry. Okay, thanks for your attention.
You have any extra tickets?
I'm looking for extra tickets. How long have you been here?
We got here at 3.
Okay, do you know anybody with extra tickets?
We have extra tickets.
You actually do? I want you to get that. You've been here for hours. Okay, so you go for it. Go for it. That might work. So they had extra tickets, but I felt bad because those girls have been trying for 3 hours, so I just let them get them. I might regret that. Something about this crowd gives me hope. Extra tickets, is that a Swiftie dad? You're a Swiftie dad. I am. I am too. Not really, because I don't have tickets. There's gonna be 100,000 people at this concert. I'm gonna talk to each one of them. Any chance you know someone I could buy extra tickets from legally?
No.
Okay, thank you. That was actually risky. Tickets? Anybody have tickets? Hi! Hi, hi! Thank you! Hi! Wait, do any of you have extra tickets? No! Anybody have 2 tickets? Anybody have 2 tickets? Concert's gonna start soon. It's kind of a bummer. Like, I was all enthusiastic, but I can't find any tickets. She's got a sign, gave me an idea. 2 tickets for Taylor Swift. Oh, I guess Taylor Swift part is obvious. I'm getting desperate. Nothing's working. I don't know if it's gonna happen. Honestly, I'm starting to lose hope a little. 100,000 people and I can't find 2 tickets? Man, this is rough. I was pretty sure I could get them on Ticketmaster, then I was really sure that somebody would know somebody, and then I was absolutely positive that I would find them at the stadium, and none of that happened. Anybody have tickets? Anybody 2 tickets? Anybody have 2 tickets? Concert's gonna start soon. I don't even know if there'll be enough time for Salish to get here if I got tickets anyway. Kind of a bummer. Like, I was all enthusiastic, but I can't find any tickets. I'll keep trying though. Evan's calling me right now. Look, I'm at SoFi. I've been asking for hours. Nobody's got tickets. What about you?
I don't know if it's our lucky day. 4 tickets just came on the website in the 3rd row.
What?
At about 1/3 the cost when we were checking our...
Okay, did you get them?
Of course I got them.
Wait, are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? No way! I got tickets! I got tickets! I got tickets! I got tickets! I got nobody cares! We got tickets! Yes! Yes! Oh my God, yay! I gotta call Salish. Evan came through. Blow up famous birthdays right now. Oh my God, thank you, man.
Oh, I'm excited.
I'll see you here. Don't forget your bracelets. I gotta call Salish. She's gonna freak out. She's gotta hurry up. She has no idea this is happening. Wow! I think I have just enough time to go pick up Say and get her to this concert. I gotta tell her. I hope she's excited. Say better child. She did that.
Hey, where are you?
Hey, you wanna go have an adventure tonight?
Sure.
I just wanted to have one big last summer thing with you, like a big thing, a big event. So I just got us tickets to Taylor Swift.
What?
Right now,
really?
Right now. Go put on your favorite dress. Yes.
Oh my gosh! Really? Wait, Dad, you actually did?
Yes. Put on your favorite dress. I'm coming to pick you up. Okay. All right. I'll be there in 10 minutes. She's already running to put her dress on.
I love you. Bye.
Bye. Love you. That made it all worthwhile right there. Number 3, Salish traveled from Los Angeles to Texas to surprise her best friend. He had to complete 8 epic dares before she shocked him with his dream adventure.
1.
We are here in Texas. We are gonna hide in this car. Nadal's about to arrive right here, and we're gonna give him some dares, but he has no idea we're here. Come on, Say, come on. Here they come.
So Jan, what are we even doing? Salish is gonna be controlling your life from LA for 24 hours. And if you do everything she tells you to, you get a huge surprise.
Nadal has no idea we're in this car right now watching everything. Salish is about to FaceTime Nadal, give him her first dare. Gigi is totally in on this whole prank.
Oh shoot, it's Salish. Wait, hold up.
He's fixing his hair before he talks to you.
Hi, Salish.
Hi. So your first dare is to go up to a stranger and pay them to give you a pie in the face.
What? No.
You did it to me with Hudson. Okay, hope you have fun. Good luck. Bye.
They should be paying me for this. Here's your, wait, what? Shirt. What is this?
He put that on so he won't get his little precious shirt dirty.
Can I tie your hair? Oh my God, I look ridiculous.
His signature look. Excuse me? Can I pay you $1 to pie me in the face?
I don't think so.
Can I pay you $1 to pie me in the face?
No, thank you. I'm sorry.
They said no! Can one of you guys pie me in the face for $1?
No, we're good.
Everybody's saying no.
Can you pie me in the face for $1?
For $1?
Yeah, can you pie me in the face?
Sure?
Oh.
Oh, she said yes. Smack him as hard as you can, okay? Whoa! Oh my God, she threw it at him! Thank you so much. Hi, Salish. You look so ugly. I got a couple no's, and this was a yes.
You have to do 10 push-ups, then do a backflip, then clean yourself off. 10 push-ups.
10.
Backflip, backflip, backflip.
You happy?
Then go clean yourself off. Have fun. Bye.
Oh, that's nasty.
That was crazy.
That was super crazy.
He's so messy, he's getting changed. What is she doing?
What should you doing?
Needles inside. He's washing off in the bathroom.
Go. We don't want to get caught.
Gigi, does he have any idea we're here?
No.
No idea?
Are you sure? I got whipped cream all over my shirt. I'm gonna go change my shirt.
There's a huge surprise at the end. You get to be a part of it too if he doesn't find us before it's time, okay? Hurry, go. You might not know this about Salish, but she actually doesn't love to travel and she hates missing gymnastics, but she did both of those things so she could be here to surprise Nadal. And wait till you see how she's going to surprise him. And it's just so sweet. She's so excited to see him.
Yeah, I'm kind of worried about the next couple days.
Oh, I think he's right there.
Okay.
Oh, sees candy. We gotta go there.
What's he doing?
Of course, he's looking for candy.
Okay, FaceTime him right now.
Hi, Needle. I have your next dare for you.
Oh my God, what is it?
You have to go to a sporting goods store and get a pink bike and a pink helmet and ride around.
No, I can't.
Yeah.
Salish, it would be so much more fun if you were here. And by the way, where are you?
Oh, right now I'm in my room. Oh, I gotta go. Bye. He has no idea, but he's gonna see me in a couple minutes. So stay tuned.
All right, we gotta go find a sports store.
They just went around the corner. Let's go. If he sees you, this whole thing gets blown. Don't just go in, Salish.
Come on, Neil, the girliest bike you can find.
Oh, she's right there.
Got it. Look, there's bikes over there.
He's up.
He's up. Somebody just arrived for the next prank. Wait till you see who it is.
Neil, we only have 2 minutes left. Oh my gosh.
He's right there.
We gotta hide. Come this way. Hide it.
Pick the girliest bike you can find. Got one.
He's right there, Dad. We have to move.
I found the best helmet ever. Now.
Stop. Don't go around the corner. She's gonna totally get caught.
I don't know how to ride these kind of bikes.
Get down.
Neil, you have to go all the way around the whole store.
He's kidding. Oh, look that way. Oh, do you get that shot?
You made it! That was so embarrassing.
The surprise that Salish has for Nadal is better than anything they could find in this mall, so stick around.
Okay, I have to do another FaceTime, so I'm gonna pretend like I'm in the middle of a forest.
Looks great. Why do you always flick your hair when you talk?
Stop it! I do that with everybody.
You always flick your hair. It's so... Ow.
Oh wait, Salish is calling me.
Wow, you look amazing in that helmet.
No, I don't. Where are you?
Oh, I'm just outside, just chilling. Your next dare is you have to find a woman and challenge her to a push-up contest. She'll beat you. Girl power.
It's gonna be so embarrassing.
This is Brianna, and she has an awesome YouTube channel. She does a bunch of videos with her husband, Preston. They're awesome. Check them out. She is going to be our plant in this scene.
Nidal will totally pick her.
And then she's going to prank him, so watch this.
Oh my God, I cannot wear this helmet anymore. It's so annoying.
Go. Okay. There's like nobody in the store right now, so he almost has to pick Brie.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Can I challenge you to a push-up contest?
Me? You can tell I'm really strong. I've been working out a lot.
Oh, okay, looks like I got a challenge here.
Do girl push-ups count?
No.
Oh, good.
Go. 1, 2.
Yep.
3,
I'm totally beating him.
This is great. 9.
Come here. Look, there's people.
This is hard. I should definitely work out more. I have not done those for a while. Keep doing push-ups.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, okay. I don't feel so good anymore.
All right. Oh my God. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my God.
That guy's right there, but he didn't even notice.
Your friend Salish, she might have sent me here for something. I have another challenge for you.
No.
You ready? You have a song called Everybody's Shipping Us?
No, I'm guessing what it is.
Let's go.
So funny.
Let's just go right here in the center. I believe in you.
He's not singing yet, so I bet he's arguing.
He's gonna be so mad.
We'll start right here.
Come here. Hurry, hide.
Okay, oh, wait, do I have to sing the full song? Everybody shipping us. Do we ship too?
He's so embarrassed.
You all know us better as Salish. We're out here in LA form. Sun shines bright and it keeps us warm. There was one time we got cotton candy. It was on the boardwalk and it was kind of fancy. Oh my God, that was the most embarrassing thing. I'm never doing that again.
Hey, Needle.
Hi, Salish.
You have to go to your camera roll and post the last picture with no explanation.
This is the last picture.
I'm sure it's gonna be a flexible. What is that?
I just posted this.
Is that me?
Yeah.
How could that possibly be the last photo on his camera roll?
I accidentally sent it to him.
What? I have real hair. That's a filter. You did a bald filter on me with a mustache and send it to him?
Yeah.
Why would you do?
Oh!
All right, let's go find him. Oh.
He'll never know where I am because it looks like grass.
Hey, Salish.
I have another dare for you. Go with your VR set in public and play a game on it.
No.
Yeah, you'll look super funny.
In the middle of the mall? Wait, what if I run into something?
Let's go spy on him.
If he looks up, we're busted.
There you go. No, it's not how it works. Ah! Okay, ready?
He looks ridiculous. How are people just standing there watching? He just fell. All right, is he hurt? No, he's good.
No, he's beating me up.
Let's get out of here.
Who cares if he's hurt?
I care if he's hurt.
All right, before we do any more dares, I need to get some Dunkin' because I'm tired.
He's right there. Let's go.
All right, Salish, there's something I've been wanting to tell you for a really long time. It's time that I finally tell you. Salish, I really...
Are you Needle?
Yeah.
Can I take a selfie?
I guess I can't say.
Thank you.
Nadal and Gigi right now are shopping. Sailor's about to call him with another dare.
I just matched a perfect outfit for you.
Needle doesn't know anything about pickup lines, and neither does Hudson, so this is gonna be fun.
What's the next dare?
You have to call Hudson, and you have to ask him for pickup lines. Then you have to use it on a girl in the mall.
Hudson, I have a question. Can you give me pickup lines?
Guys, this is gonna be so cringe.
Okay, I got one. You're gonna say, are you?
Today, my daughter Salish and her best friend Nadal go to their first prom. But first, they have to survive every grade of school.
Do you have a crush on anyone?
Yeah.
Starting with kindergarten. Okay, everybody, let's calm down. I know, very excited to be back in school. It was a long week. Peanut butter. Daddy! That works every time. We have a new kid coming into class, and I want you guys to be very nice to her. Very calm, very relaxed.
Hi, I think I'm supposed to be in this class.
New friend, your seat is right there.
Thank you.
We have a new kid. She is so sweet. You know, she's such a... Oh, Salish, I'm playing a role here. Children, kindness matters. Oh, class.
Oh, yes.
Let's take our seats. Because we have a new student, I think it would be nice for each of us to go around and introduce ourselves. Who would like to go first?
Oh my God.
Ian, why don't you go first?
I have an amazing laugh.
Yay! Very good, Ian. Who would like to go next?
Hi, I'm Kinsley, and I brought you an apple.
Thank you. Another apple every day. Brooke, why don't you go next?
My name is Brooke.
Yeah! Very good, Brooke.
We're Lily and Zella, and we go everywhere together.
Yay. And now why don't we meet our new student, Salish?
Hi, I'm Salish.
Okay, yay, very good.
Oh my God, oh my God. I love those flowers in your shirt. Oh my God, I love your color.
Oh my God, and your dress.
What's your name?
I love our t-shirt.
Where are you from?
please pay attention to what I'm writing on the board. Quiet.
I love your headband. Thank you. I love your suit. Can I borrow that? No, it's mine. No, it's just for a second. No, it's mine. I didn't need it. I want it first. No, you broke it.
Boys and girls! Boys and girls! Okay, everybody, take your seats. Take your seats. Take your seats. Now you all really like my friendship bracelet, right? Yes. And you know who gave this to me, right? It was my daughter, my little daughter. She gave me this bracelet, and I really love. I want to give these bracelets to you. Because friendship is about sharing and caring. And now I'm going to give each one of you a friendship bracelet. And now I want you to get up and trade them with each other because sharing is caring. There we go.
Thank you.
I totally came up with this idea. Smart, huh? Kindergarten teaching's easy.
I got more. You have more?
Boys and girls! Boys and girls! Peanut butter! Just stop! Oh, boys and girls! Peanut butter! Peanut butter! Kindergarten is hard! I think I'll try 3rd grade. Well, another day of 3rd grade. How are you all doing so far? Yeah, I can tell you're really happy. Well, guess what? I have big news. We have a new student today. I can see you're all very excited, but you have to be really nice because he might be shy, he might be quiet, so you want to make him feel very welcome. Everything I see.
What's up? What'd you do today?
Nothing.
That's cool.
Mr. Matter,
Yes.
Mr. Matter, I can do that too.
Okay, no, we don't laugh at anybody. He gave it a really good effort. He tried, I know.
Good try, dude.
He high-fived me.
Thanks, bro.
It is the first Friday of every month, and you know what that means. Show and tell. Woo! So who wants to go first? You know what? This time, I'm gonna do it. Hold on one second. Okay. Okay. I got it. Don't worry. You don't have to help me. Don't worry. I got it. On the weekends, I've been working on a brand new skill. It's called puppetry. No, you don't understand. It's my puppet. I understand. Okay. Oh, you think it's smelly. No, it's fine. Look, it's fine. Yes, Salish.
Why are your toes so big?
I don't know. I was just born that way. Look.
Does anyone have a wipe? Pause.
Not again. Everybody stop. Boys and girls.
This is the story of the tortoise and the hare. I'm the tortoise.
And I'm the hare.
And I'm really slow.
And I'm really fast.
Wee!
Whee!
And the moral of the story is, slow and steady wins the race. Ta-da!
I know I gotta put my... Did you enjoy the puppet? I know. It was great. I know. Okay, the socks are back on. Who wants to do show and tell next? Salish, I understand you have a very exciting thing to share with us for show and tell.
Yes, I do.
Teach.
Teach? My name is Mr. Matter.
Okay, whatever, Mr. Matter. Can I use the bathroom?
Sure.
He needs to go. Come here. Come on. I do? Come on. Yep.
That was weird. Let us welcome Salish to the stage to do her show and tell. Yay!
It'll be so fun. Come on, let's go. Where are we going? Don't worry about it. What's happening?
For show and tell, I brought in my Monster High doll collection. Dracula is my favorite. She has the coolest pink dress and really pretty shimmery hair.
So why did you need me to go to the bathroom?
We're not actually going to the bathroom. Come here.
So then what are we doing?
Come here.
Dracula comes with a bouquet of flowers, a chocolate fountain, a heart handbag, chocolate-covered strawberries, and some lipstick.
Check it out. Oh my God.
Salish, I know you have other dolls in your backpack too. Would you like to share those also?
I mean, I guess I could share Claudine Wolf. She has a really cool crescent purse. Or Cleo Day Nile. She has this pretty sparkly dress and triangular earrings.
Donuts? Yeah. Can I have this one? No, dude, they're not for eating. They're for a prank. Oh no, Mr. Matter. All right, come on, let's go.
I love these dolls so much. They're so unique and bold. Be unique, be yourself, and be a monster. This doll inspires me so much. Thank you.
You have to totally distract Mr. Matter so I can put these donuts in his pockets so it makes a mess. Yes, sir.
All right, who is next to show?
Oh my God, what's wrong?
What's wrong?
Oh my gosh. There was a big rat in the sink, and I tried to, and it was crazy. And all I had to do was like,
No.
Never mind.
What? That was weird.
Mr. Matter.
Who wants to do show and tell next?
We have a drone.
A drone? Whoa.
Oh my God.
Fucking no! Okay, everybody get out!
We don't know how to control it.
You don't know how to stop? Stop it!
We don't know how to stop.
Everybody get out! Go! Everybody get out!
Wait, come back!
Stop it! Go, run!
We're so sorry.
Okay, it's all good. It's everybody. It's gonna be okay, everybody. I know that was scary, but everybody's okay. That was kind of exciting, actually, if you think about it. Wow, right? I mean, that was crazy.
Oh no, Dracula is missing.
Wait, what?
She was in my backpack, and then we went outside for the drone, and now she's not here.
And I see the table was turned over as well, so it might be that somebody accidentally turned over the table and accidentally went into the backpack and took out the doll. If anybody wants to give the doll back because they accidentally took it, now would be the moment. Nobody accidentally took it? Oh, lunchtime. Okay, I guess it's lunchtime.
I'm finding my doll. In order for someone to steal my doll, they had to be really quick. So I'm gonna spill this water on the table and see who jumps up first. Hey, does anybody want any water? You guys moved pretty quick. 3 of them moved really fast, and whoever tipped over the desk is really strong. So watch my next test. Nidal, can you help me lift up this desk? Oh, you're strong. What? Oh, I knocked it off. Colin, can you help me lift this back up? Oh, you're also really strong. Oh, oops. Kinsley, can you help me put this back? Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you so much. She's really strong too. That did not help at all.
And now that you've had a chance to have lunch and think about it, does anybody remember accidentally taking Salish's doll?
Mr. Matter, the drum was recording. Look, it was recording the whole time.
Stop it! Go, run! Colin, do you have something you want to say to Salish? It looks to me like while everybody was running away from the drone, you came running back in.
Okay, I took it. I wanted to give it to my little sister for a present, but I don't have any money. I'm really sorry, and it'll never happen again.
It's okay. You can keep it and give it to your little sister, and maybe we can all play with the dolls together.
Oh, yay! Okay, that was so sweet, everybody. I'm so glad you resolved. Wait, what? What is that? What is this? Who did this? Actually, no! Who did this? God! 3rd grade is really hard. I'm gonna try middle school. Who's excited for some 8th grade math?
Put away your phones, guys. We are in class. We are in 8th grade. We don't use our phones in 8th grade. There's a world out there. You don't need your phones. There's a whole exciting world right here on this board. Are you ready? Are you ready with me? This is exciting. This is math, and I know a lot about it.
You're wrong.
Huh?
The math doesn't work. Variables in the equation have to be the same to be able to compute the problem to eventually have one answer.
8th grade math is hard. I know what I'll do. This is gonna get you. You think you know what you're talking about? Okay. How about that? We'll start with multiplication. Okay, that's it. Everybody give me your phone. Give me your phones. You have to. It's the school rule. Phones, give me your phones. It's the rule. It's the rule. Give me your phone. This is out of hand. Phone. All right, come on, phones.
My parents don't let me have a phone.
Your parents let you have a phone. They shouldn't let you have a phone, but they actually let you have a phone. Can I have your phone, please? Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Okay. We're going to go to a library and we're going to read a book. Line up, everybody line up. Oh, right, this is middle school. My bad. All right, come on. They got to know each other pretty well since 3rd grade. Okay, everybody, this is called reading. I'm going to give you books, and you are going to read them. Crazy, right? You know how to read, right? Here we go.
Mr. Matter, I can help you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Teacher spit. Mr. Matter?
Yes.
How do you read?
Okay, you look at the letters and you put them together into a word.
Okay, thank you.
There you go. Here we go. I got a special one on sea monsters for you.
Give it back.
After we've spent 30 minutes reading, we're going to discuss what we've learned.
Mr. Matter!
Yes, what's
Did
wrong?
you give this book to me? No.
I did.
Give it back.
Remember, sharing is caring. Why don't you share the book?
It's fine. I see how it is. I got the same book back.
Oh, they're working
I want
together.
this one back. I want this one back.
Mr. Matter?
Don't tell me. It's not that you did that.
No, you did it.
No, you did it.
Bro, you literally snatched that out of me.
You literally weren't giving it to me.
What is the talking over there?
Nothing. I'm bored reading this.
Me too. We should play Truth or Dare.
Guys, we should play Truth or Dare.
Oh my gosh, yes. Truth or Dare.
No, you Truth or Dare.
Oh, a truth.
Do you have a crush on anyone?
Yeah.
Who?
I can't say. Ooh. It's a truth.
Okay, your turn.
Ian, truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to go up to Mr. Matter and say you peed your pants.
No,
Are you too chicken? Ba, 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 ba.
Fine, I'll do it. Oh, Mr. Matter, Mr. Matter.
Yes.
I peed my pants. It was a little tinkle.
I'm so sorry. You can go to the bathroom that way.
No, it's okay.
You're just gonna leave it there?
Yeah.
I think you better go to the bathroom. Why don't you go to the bathroom? Yeah. Did he really pee in his pants?
Yeah. I heard it. Yeah.
Okay. Are you reading or what are you doing?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Can you tell me one thing that you read? What about anybody at this table? One thing that you read. What did you read? Did anybody read anything? Tell me one thing that anybody read. No. You don't need your phone. No. I want to teach high school. Senior year of high school, and you know what that means. Practice SAT test. Here we go.
Obviously, I'm not in class because I hate senior year. It's the worst year you could possibly be in. Why am I even here? There's like a few more months. Like, I'm gonna be an adult. I'm gonna be going on vacations, making money, college. I have a bunch of other stuff ahead. But no, I gotta go to Mr. Matter's class. So I got a perfect idea for a senior prank.
There you go. Who here is excited about college? Okay, college is not for everybody, and that's totally okay. But if you're excited about college, it's a great experience. Of course, I went. I had a lot of fun.
New student, come here. All right, guys, this is the new student. We just met. I've never met her before. You want to help me with a senior prank? What is it? Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool, but I think there's one more person we should involve in this. Salish.
What are you doing? Come on.
So you want to go to college?
No.
What do you want to do?
I want to be a YouTuber.
Good bet.
Salish, you know Mr. Matter every day goes on that one bench and eats lunch. So we gotta make a bucket of slime, bring it to the roof, and then dump it on him.
I don't know.
Come on, just do it.
Say, you're literally in high school. You're like a senior now. Like a senior prank.
Everybody does
senior prank. You have to do it.
Wait, stop. Salish, it's literally just your dad.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, come on.
Wait a minute, where are Nadal, Gigi, and Salish?
They're not here.
They're sick, all of them, on SAT day?
Ah, no, my hands. Sorry about that.
I hate you.
Stop it. Oh! Okay. Ew.
If we don't want to go to college, do we have to take the test? Thank you so much. I'm so excited to go to college.
Are you really? Ready, set, go.
Okay, we got a little messy, but it's time to use the food coloring and go up to the roof. All right, guys, bring the slime.
We need a little help over here. Okay, fine, let's go.
Come on.
Done. I just wrote YouTube on it.
Smart man.
Mr. Matter, I'm done.
Wow, you're really fast. You're gonna nail those SATs. I love being a high school teacher. I mean, my kids are in there taking their SAT practice test, and they are just so enthusiastic. And I love giving kids a positive message to go out into life with, and I just think this is a very rewarding career, so. I'm very lucky to be a high school teacher, and I've done a lot of grades. This is by far my favorite. Who did that? Oh my God! Who did? Somebody's in big trouble. Who did this? Report yourself. Was that you, Salish? That was actually a pretty good one, Say. I gotta give it to you. Senior prank? Wait, it's the school dance tonight. All right, senior prank. I get it. I was a senior too, but I think I'm gonna try college professor next because they don't do pranks, right? Right? Guys, can I get a towel? Thank you.
Wow, you look
Are you ready to party? Yeah! Everybody, welcome to the Santiago School Dance! Are you ready to dance? No, don't be shy. It's a dance. You gotta dance. Okay, I know. I will start the dancing. Rowan, cue the music.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning.
Whoa, stop the music, stop the music. Where is Salish and Nadal?
I know you guys are thinking, but we're just friends.
Yeah, a boy and a girl can go to a dance just as friends.
Let's party!
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
You know, I'm just saying that two friends. What? So I say, but we're just, and you say friends. Got me?
Yeah.
A boy and a girl can go to a dance together just.
What?
Friends. A boy and a girl can go to a dance just.
Today, my daughter Salish becomes an adult for 100 hours. Starting with parenting the most spoiled kid in America. Salish, here is a list of everything you have to do as Solash's mom today. Are you ready?
What? There's so much stuff.
All right, well, have fun.
Boy, where are you going?
Well, parents are always on their own, so you got this.
What?
I set this whole thing up, and Salish will not be able to handle Salash for the next 24 hours.
Pick a breakfast your daughter likes, but it has to be healthy. No. I'm not eating healthy food. It's okay. I can find you something healthy. No. Yes. It's gonna be healthy. It's gonna be healthy, sure. Young lady, you're gonna eat what I tell you to eat.
I'm gonna watch everything that's happening on my phone, and Salish has no idea.
By the way, Dad, I know you're watching this, and I'm not gonna quit.
How does she know that? She can't hear me through the. How did. Salish is always saying how easy parenting is.
I'm gonna be the actual best parent ever. Like, my kids are gonna listen to me because I'm gonna be strict.
So today we're gonna find out if she can make it through 24 hours or quit and admit it's actually harder than she thought.
Ooh, what about Pepsi for drinks?
What? No.
What about Oreos?
That is not healthy.
Salish wouldn't really want to drink Coke for breakfast or have Oreos, but she is so picky it's impossible to find her something for breakfast. I wrote up all these challenges based on stuff about Salish that drives me crazy as her parent.
Look at Charms, no! Hershey's, no! Let me get something.
Solage is part of Familia Diamond. They are all so sweet, and she is not even a little bit spoiled, but today she's going to be a great actress and drive Salish crazy.
What about an orange?
No.
Banana.
No.
What about this?
What is this? A potato?
Solage is just making all this up. I didn't tell her what to say. I just told her how to act, and she is nailing it.
What fruit's your favorite?
No fruits.
Salish, she doesn't want fruit. Give it up. Salish has to help Solage pick something she likes, but also it has to be healthy. And if she can't do that, she automatically loses the challenge.
No. Let's walk through the aisle.
We should get Pepsi.
Here, I can lift it for you.
Put it back in the car.
It's okay. Come on, daughter.
What kind of mom calls their daughter?
It says fruit in the name, see?
These are not help me. What's your favorite color?
I like purple.
Purple.
She's picking based on the color of the box.
These are actually so good.
This, I'm never, ever eating that.
What about like this? It's dark purple.
I don't like purple.
You said you liked dark purple.
I never said that.
What?
She says she likes something, then 10 seconds later she says she doesn't like it.
Actually, I like purple.
That is so Salish. Is that every kid? Parents, comment below.
What about Gatorade?
Salish, at some point you gotta put your foot down and just say, this is what we're doing. Not that I ever do that as a parent, but you should.
This is not a good
I'm
breakfast.
getting goldfish.
If this is the card they check out with, Salish is automatically losing this challenge.
But I want this.
Yeah, I want another dog. That doesn't mean we can get it.
Salish has been wanting another dog for a long time now. And she just chose that moment to take a shot at me, and she looked right at the camera.
Do you like pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get pancakes.
She's doing pancakes for breakfast? That's not healthy.
When you were a kid, did you have oat milk or did you just drink from a cow?
I'm not that old.
How'd that feel, say? Right? When your kid teases you about being older? Does that sound familiar?
I always make old jokes about him. It's so funny.
This kid is already driving me crazy, but I'm not gonna quit.
Yes. This one is called confetti cake.
That is so unhealthy. What about like this? More whole grain and it has protein.
If Solage says yes to these pancakes, Salish wins this challenge, because these are healthy. She's not gonna say yes, though.
Fine.
Wow, Solage, why'd you give in? Solage agreed to the healthy pancakes. I consider that a win for Salish, and she passes this challenge.
See, Dad, I'm such a good mom.
Salish, that was the easiest of all the rounds. You might not be quitting yet, but you're gonna quit.
Now you have to agree on something for tomorrow's school lunch.
Good luck with lunch.
Not this again.
I got you.
Oh, no. She's never gonna find anything she likes. She does not like anything here. Like, how do you not like
I found it. Chocolate brownie.
You just said you hated those like 10 minutes ago.
I never said that. This, I'm never, ever eating that.
They're kind of healthy, so sure.
It's obvious to me Salish is already exhausted, so I do not see her making it through 24 hours. Salish thinks she's tired now. Just wait until she has to parent me and then become an adult for 24 hours with her best friend Nadal.
Your daughter needs a new school outfit. Help her find one.
Clothes shopping with a tween. Good luck.
That's gonna be hard.
I hate blue, orange, that grosses me out. Pink, I hate pink.
I thought you just liked pink.
Ew. This has too many checkers.
This would look so cute
This
on
is a
you.
dress. I hate dresses.
This skirt.
I don't like skirts.
What?
Moms just don't get it.
Oh, so lush. You would look so good.
It looks like a guy would wear that.
What about this?
I don't like pink.
You just liked pink.
Oh my God, this is exactly what happens when I shop with Salish. It sounds like the exact same words. See how it feels, Salish? You're getting a taste of your own medicine.
A shirt under a dress?
Mom, you have no style.
What about this?
What is this? Oh, you're driving me crazy.
You're driving me crazy.
I said it first.
Salish still has the Matter Cup from last week.
We got him!
Oh man, I wish we were playing for it today because I'm sure I would have won.
So Lush, please can we just find something and leave?
Yeah, if we find something good, then we can go.
Look at all these shirts, just pick one of them.
Unicorn, this is so baby.
You're right about that one. You look amazing in yellow. Just look. Just try.
I don't like yellow.
Whenever I shop with Salish, if I say I love something, then she ends up hating it. So that's what she's experiencing now.
What if you wore this to school?
No.
I don't care how picky she is. I'm not gonna quit, Dad. What about these?
I like my pants.
No, what about the?
I like my pants.
Okay. Okay.
She's gonna quit. She looks frustrated and tired.
Mom, you're so old. You don't understand kid things.
Ugh. What? Okay.
I like the old jokes. Of course, to a kid, everyone's old.
Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh, purple. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. It is purple, but I don't like this.
No. Okay, she's making a mess now. That's gonna get Salish crazy. She hates messes.
I don't like anything.
We get it. You don't like this aisle. Okay,
Why do you
let's
have
go.
so many clothes?
Because where do you think you were throwing them?
I don't know.
At me.
I didn't see you behind me.
She's getting her crazy. Her eyes lit up like a little spark of frustration in there. She can't be sweet forever. She's gonna lose it.
Just pick anything, please.
Salish is starting to lose it. She's not the strict parent she said she was gonna be.
These are good. I like these.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Or you don't want me to get it because I can put it.
No. I love them.
Okay.
They look so
okay,
cute
but we
on
need
you.
to get a shirt.
Okay. Just pick anything right there.
I love unicorns. Wait, it doesn't have.
Oh my gosh, perfect. I love them too. That's actually so cute on you.
Yeah.
She said I love unicorns after saying I hate unicorns.
Unicorn. This is so baby.
Yeah, you're right about that one.
What the heck?
Okay, great. Let's just get this before she changes her mind.
Welcome to the life of a parent.
Buy your daughter one skincare product. Okay.
Wait. I want makeup.
You're way too young for makeup.
Anybody who's been watching our videos knows that this was an argument that Salish and I would have about a year ago.
Lipstick and perfume.
What? Let's see how she handles it.
Mom, you don't understand. Kids my age wear makeup. I'm gonna wear makeup, and that's all I'm gonna do. Wear makeup.
No, you cannot wear makeup yet.
Yes,
You're
I
only
can.
like 9.
I'm gonna buy lipstick. I'm gonna buy eyeliner. I'm gonna buy blush. I'm gonna buy mascara. I'm gonna buy all the makeup.
Okay, sure you are. Let's just go get skincare.
Okay.
Come on.
Let's go, Mom.
Wow, she knows a lot about makeup.
What would be good skincare for a 9-year-old?
Mom, I'm 9.5-year-old, Mom. You should know because I
Oh,
work
okay,
at
daughter.
Half
I'm sorry. How could I forget? Okay,
My name's
come
not
on.
daughter, but okay.
Oh, okay, daughter.
Can't get over this daughter thing. She has a name.
Oh, no.
Should I try
No,
this?
so much. No. Do you see how much
Mom,
color
what
there is
happened?
in
You
there?
broke it, Mom.
Sunscreen?
Mom.
It's so good for you.
Solage has to agree to skincare and not makeup for Salish to win this challenge.
Sunscreen.
Makeup.
Sunscreen.
Makeup.
Sunscreen.
Makeup.
I'll get her sunscreen.
Thank you to Nailish's wife for clipping last week's video and getting over 220,000 likes. That is insane. If you want to get a shout out next week, all you have to do is clip a scene from this video, post it on TikTok or Shorts, and we will shout out whoever gets the most likes.
What about a lip gloss? Girl, what is that?
I need a mirror. I don't like it.
She's not controlling her child.
So let's trust me, this is good.
No.
How is Salish still smiling? I don't understand. Aren't you getting frustrated today?
I love the color pink.
Oh, no.
Why is it going big? Ew.
Whoa.
Ew, it's weird. Ew.
Okay, now she's getting distracted because Salish likes makeup too.
Mom, this is all for like old skin, like you, Mom.
What? I'm not that old.
Yes, you are. You're like 90.
What? I give up. I've got a plan. Salish, I found this sunscreen. If you use this, it's good for your skin, and I'll buy you a candy bar if you get it.
Oh, okay.
Perfect.
She bribed her with a candy bar, but actually pretty smart because Solage is going to use the skincare now, and there was no rule for this particular challenge about not getting anything sweet. So, worked. Salish got through 3 challenges at Target, but it's going to get even harder because now we're going home.
Now I have to get my daughter to do her homework.
I hate homework.
Oh, well, you'll like it today.
And now we're back home, sitting outside the house, seeing how it goes.
I'm so tired.
Oh my gosh, she yawned. She's exhausted.
So what do you have for homework?
I have to write about what I'm gonna do for summer vacation.
That's so easy. Okay, we can go to the beach, go on vacation. You could do some extra sports. That would be so much fun. We could go to the park. I see she's really coming up with some ideas. Nothing. Solash. No, you're not done. Solash. This kid is killing me. Solash, what are you doing? Solash.
Oh yeah.
You can't play with the bouncy ball in the house.
Salish, you're allowed to say no. You're allowed to say stop.
Okay, do I? What?
I told Solage ahead of time to break the vase on the table, so let's see if she can do it.
Solash. Not to me. Solash.
Oh,
you kind of broke it.
The vase is totally fake. It's made out of sugar, so when Solange is grabbing it, it's not gonna hurt her.
Oh, Mom, I'm sorry. I did.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, yeah,
so
we
we
just
just go
fix it.
that.
Sure. Okay.
And we go.
Okay. Daughter.
Okay, Mom, I can't fix this.
I don't think you can fix it.
I'll be back.
Okay.
Where is it?
Honestly, I'm getting a little bit close.
A little bit close to quitting.
So this is harder than I thought it would be.
Yes, it is harder. Parenting's harder than you thought it would be.
Okay, I got the tape. How do I?
So watch, it's not gonna look the same if we just tape it.
Trust me, it will.
Tape?
Okay, so look, you gotta get this and then trust me, it's gonna be fixed.
She's being really, really nice, but I can tell she's getting a little frustrated.
I'm gonna go clean this up and you can go do your homework.
Okay.
Oh.
Salish seems like she's smiling through this, but I know it upsets her if anything gets broken in the house, so she might end up quitting. We'll see.
I am not gonna quit. Parenting is so tiring.
Oh, you're tired? Try being a kid.
If I pick up Salish from school, I'm like, oh man, I'm so tired. She'll be like, oh yeah? Try going to school for 6 hours.
You can't remember that, can you?
Actually, I can. I'm still a kid.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're still a kid. Now if those wrinkles or not.
What wrinkles?
Ah!
Those on your face.
How does that feel? Does that sound familiar to you?
You need to write neater, and you need to write way more than nothing.
Okay.
I'm gonna go fold laundry.
Moms have no idea how hard being a kid is.
That's something Salish says to me all the time. Dad, you just don't get it.
I'm gonna write something really good.
Being a parent is actually so hard, but I'm not gonna quit.
You're gonna quit, Say. I'm telling you, you're gonna quit. And yeah, it is hard.
One thing kids don't do, fold their own laundry. I'm kind of done with this parenting thing.
Done. That should be good.
Salish, how's your homework going? I'm about to come help you. Salish, bro. Salish, you can't put this as homework. It's okay. Okay.
She's getting so tired. Her body's all slouching, and she's not gonna make it much longer. I am going to guarantee everyone right now, Salish is gonna quit. I know my kid.
Salish!
Mom!
Oh my gosh, what is this kid doing?
Why am I stuck?
You better not be making a mess.
I can't find my stuff!
Salish, what are you doing? No. Salish, what are you looking for?
My socks.
Salish, they're right here.
Oh, thank you.
Salish, I just folded all of this.
Oh.
Now they're all dirty and I have to rewash them. Ugh.
Anything with a mess drives Salish crazy. She just spent 20 minutes folding all those clothes and they got thrown on the floor in 5 seconds, which means she has to wash them all over again and refold them. Come on, Salish, that's gonna drive you crazy. Why are you still smiling?
Make dinner. Ugh, I'm so tired.
Salish is exhausted and now she has to make dinner. Welcome to parenting, by the way, but Solange is gonna make it even harder.
Oh, make dinner, okay? Let's make a cake. Okay, we need the eggs first.
A cake?
Yes.
Salish, that's not how you make a cake.
Oh, she's making a mess. This is gonna get Salish absolutely crazy.
No, stop! No, stop!
Okay.
Stop now!
Oh, God. Oh, that's even getting me. Oh, that hurts me. That's our home.
Oh my gosh, I do not like messes.
I'm gonna pour it.
No, stop, young lady, do not pour that.
Just make a mess, Solange. Make a mess. I don't care. Throw it everywhere. Just get her to quit.
Young lady, stop, Salish. I am done being a parent. This parenting thing is way too hard. I hate being a parent. I'm done. I quit.
Yeah! I won the Matter Cup. Oh, we didn't play for the Matter Cup. Salish couldn't handle parenting Solange for 24 hours, so let's see how she does parenting me for 24 hours, and this time, it's for the Matter Cup.
Today, I'm gonna transform into an adult for 24
And
hours.
I'm gonna be a kid for 24 hours.
So easy to be an adult.
It's so much easier to be a kid,
Okay,
honestly.
you know what? Let's just see. I have so much to do. I have to leave in 30 minutes for work, and I still have to do touch-ups on my makeup and hair, and I have to get lunch, breakfast. Jordan, wake up! Flush that. What do you guys think about my fit? I don't like it. Actually, I'm an adult. I love it. Adults say clothes. Guys, what do you think about my clothes? Bye, late. I'm running so late.
Jordan hasn't even woken up.
Jordan, get out of bed! Oh my gosh, this kid drives me crazy. Now some powder. Oh my gosh, I'm running so late. My boss hates when I'm late to work, but I cannot show up with bad hair and makeup.
Nice.
Jordan!
If I hear that alarm one more time, I sweat. Perfect. Where's my purse? There it is. Okay, let's go. I have so much to do, and these are so hard to balance in. These are not working. Whoa, that's much better. I'm not sure how adults wear heels every day. I need coffee, and I have to make him some pancakes. I cannot get through a day of work without coffee. Jordan, you're gonna miss your bus. Whenever I'm in a hurry, this is always empty. Perfect. Make a coffee. I need my bagel. Adults do not have time for good breakfast. Okay, let's go make the pancakes. I do not have time. Let's just take some of this. Can't this kid just get up and make his own breakfast? For the last time, get out of bed. He won't eat his pancakes without blueberries. He's really picky. I'm really running late. Adults drink this? Spray whatever this does. I hope I don't blow up the house. Let's put some pancake on.
Yo, is breakfast ready yet?
Oh, you need a new haircut.
Whatever. Oh no! I creased my dunks! No! I need a new pair of dunks! Can't believe it. Look at my crease! Look at the crease! Oh!
You're sitting on my purse and blazer! Dad! Jordan!
What?
You sat on my purse and blazer!
My bad, I'm sorry, yo.
Don't call me yo!
Alright, sorry, dog.
Feet on the counter actually drive me crazy.
My bad, bro. I'm so tired. I was up all night playing Roblox.
What are you doing?
Gotta keep my snap streak up.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah, I'm not hungry.
Are you kidding me? I spent like an hour making that. Ugh!
No! No! Not my phone! I'll eat, I promise. Can I get my phone back?
Eat all of that.
Okay. No, you're not gonna get my phone. I can't live without my phone.
Jordan, that's disgusting.
What? You do it too.
I never do that.
Whatever.
Clean up your dish and make your lunch. You're late for school.
Do I have to do everything around here? All right, I'm ready for school. If Salish quits before 24 hours, I win and I'm top matter. Team Jordan!
Team Salish! I gotta go, I hate being late. Sandy, is this it? Perfect. Sorry I'm late.
Salish, you're late. Where were you?
I was just running late.
We have clients waiting here.
Yeah, okay.
Take care of them, I gotta go.
Excuse me, I've been waiting here for 15 minutes. I have places to be.
Oh, totally late for school. Like my first day, no. Hold on. My hair is slaying right now. Yo, dap me up. What? Boom, yeah.
Wait, right here. You know the rules.
What?
No hoodie.
No hoodie? Like I can't wear my hoodie? Oh, that's like low key, my whole vibe.
You gotta wear your Santiago shirt.
Oh, I forgot it at home. I'm so sorry. Next time.
No, wait. Either that or you're gonna see the principal.
Seriously, high key, low key. Which key is it? Low key, seriously, high key. I have to see the principal?
Yes.
What? Dude, that's not a vibe.
How do I get around? You know what?
This is crazy. Just climb over the whole.
Hello?
Hey, you guys do IVs, right?
I think so.
Am I calling the right place?
Yep, you are. Yep. What do you want?
What do you guys have?
IV fluids, electrolytes, vitamin B, a coenzyme. Do you know what an enzyme is? I think it's something in your body that helps you live.
Feels like you don't really know what you're doing.
Of course I know what I'm doing.
Do you have a manager? How long have you worked here?
A long time. You're a little rude today. Okay, cool. I gotta go. I'm busy. You're taking too long. Bye.
I'm so late. First class gang, what up? Oh my God, they're sitting in a circle. This is gonna be so awkward. I guess I'm a middle schooler today. What up, bro? What up?
Don't you come over?
Seats are a little small, right? It's just like, sorry, my legs, sorry. It's just, oh no, did I crease my shoes? Bruh.
And
They're going to...
So this is an IV drip lounge, whatever that is.
IV Drip Lounge sends vitamin-filled fluids into your body to make you healthier.
I'd like to know how long I have to wait because honestly, I have an appointment and I'm quite late.
Try that door.
I don't think I'm supposed to go in by myself.
Okay, fine. Right this way. Oh, what are you getting right now?
It's just an IV drip.
How did they get that in?
Just this needle.
A needle? Yeah, you know what? I think I have to go get something. Bye.
Congress has to decide
Whoa.
if they're going to...
I'm sorry. That's awkward.
Security, did you please go near 102 and pick up Jordan Matter? Take him to the principal's office for detention.
Oh, that doesn't sound good. I don't have to go to detention. Whatever. Ow. No good. I'm out.
Okay, I don't want to see the needle, but I got everything. Here, let me just clean up real quick. Here, so put this thingy like on your arm. Perfect, you know what? I'm gonna go get a nurse. You got this.
I got this.
Jordan Matter, sit down.
Bro, I didn't even mean it.
First of all, you're not wearing your school uniform. Second of all, I've had reports that you've been wearing a hoodie all day long, and you have a skateboard on campus. You know you're not allowed to do that. What kind of future are you going to have if you don't start following rules? You have detention.
Wait, what? Jim, like actually me, I have detention?
Absolutely. Jordan Matter, you have detention today.
I haven't had detention in like 40 years.
You're going to have it today.
Bro,
you're going to have detention.
Bro, this is so not it. This principal is such an L.
I'm so bored. They won't even let me use my phone. What am I supposed to do all day?
Lunch is lonely in middle school.
It isn't lunchtime yet.
Oh no, I'm missing a period. Oh man. I don't even know where I'm supposed to go. How are you supposed to drink water? It gets in my hair. Dude, musical theater, bruh, I don't sing.
My name is Jordan, you can call me Dad.
Yeah, that's why I don't sing. Am I gonna have to sing right now, like again? Actually, bruh, I have to do this? Okay, if I quit right now, Salish gets the Matter Cup, right, Sandy? Yeah. Where are we? Full company, bruh. Tomorrow, and endless something. Why are we all walking? Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day. Yeah! I love musical theater. That was awesome. Yeah!
Wait, I have to clean everything too?
You want to dance?
Yes. What? Wait, was that cringy? Oh, it was a fail. Oh.
Yeah, I'm just pretending.
Bruh, middle school is so exhausting.
Kids these days.
What are you doing?
Getting a lollipop.
They're for $10.
What? They're always free after school.
Okay, you're right. Just take the whole bowl.
Actually, sweet! Yeah!
Don't judge, I've been wearing a wig all day. I know, my hair sucks. I gotta call Salish to see if she's having a hard time too, because I want her to quit. I wanna be top matter. Let's see how she's doing. Honestly, I'm having a hard time. Hey, little girl, how's it going? You wanna quit?
It's chill. How's school?
Being a teenager is actually hard. Why do you have to do so many things? I have to just do one thing as an adult.
Yeah, I know. This adult thing is pretty chill though.
You gonna quit? You know you quit, I'm top matter. I'm taking that trophy back, little girl.
Uh-huh. Has anyone teased you about your outfit yet?
No way, my fit is dope.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be top matter. Ha, bye.
Wait, did you just hang up? She hung up on me.
1, 2, 3, 4. It's only 1:30. You have to be kidding me.
I don't think the kids here believe I'm actually a student, so Wyatt is gonna teach me how to be a teenage dude. First thing I need to know is like my voice.
Don't talk fast. Don't be like talking all fast. You just gotta be like calm. Act like you don't really care.
So you're just chilling?
Yeah, just chilling.
Oh, that's sick, yo.
So whenever you dap up, you gotta go like this. Ready?
Yeah.
Like go slow, like that, and you gotta go like that.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, just be like, yo, what's good, Brody?
Yo, what's good, Brody? Got it.
We're gonna teach you how to wear the hood. Cause I like my hair like popped out. It's like, I don't wanna cover the hair.
Yeah, me
so whenever
neither.
you
I've
go,
got good hair.
you put it like this. You put it like halfway on.
Like, is that real hair or is that a wig?
No, that's my real hair.
Oh, that's good hair. Yeah, I'm wearing a wig because this is my hair. That's bad. Yeah.
If I'm trying to listen to music, I'll wear the hood.
Like in class, listen to music?
No, I don't listen to music in class. I gotta pay
Wait,
attention.
just between us, like, do
Yeah,
you listen to music in class?
yeah.
I'm about to go into class. I want you to show me how to walk in.
We wait until like right until the bell's about to ring. And then we walk in, we're like, it was good to teach.
All right, man, I think I'm ready.
You ready?
Broski, yeah. We did it. Let's go to class.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm copying my face.
It's your lunch break. You go to your lunch.
Oh, bet.
Every day with Salish.
I only have 20 minutes for lunch, and this is the only place that's close, and I'm a vegetarian, so I guess I'm eating water for lunch.
Exciting news. I'm running for class president. I was wondering if you wanted to vote for me?
Yes,
Yeah, wow, this is easy. Wow, they're really enthusiastic about the new kids. Wow. Oh, you want me to give a speech? Oh, I guess I got to give a speech. Hey, everybody. My name's Jordan. I'm running for class president. If I'm elected, I vote for free pizza, no dress code, longer lunch, and 4-day weekends. What? Yeah! Jordan for president! Woo! I think that went really well. I'm kind of working on my teenage dude voice. I can talk like this or, hey, what's up? Is it this dude? Oh, I'm slaying it, dude. Does that work? Yeah. How's my fit? Yeah, wow. Should the hair be in my face? Like, all right, now I know how to be a teenager. Are you all gonna vote for me for class president? Free pizza! Who are you rooting for? 1, 2, 3. Top matter. I think I'm gonna win class president.
Isn't that guy too old to be in middle school?
Oh, actually, that's such an L. Did that work? Is that what I'm supposed to say, L?
Shh. It's time for twin prank. We're gonna freak her out. Yeah. I got a patient room number 6, and he's feeling a little dizzy. We get him some water so he's feeling better, okay?
Okay.
Thanks. It's room 6.
Room 6?
Get it to him and come back. I need you right away, okay?
Oh, okay. There's 2 room 6s.
Just go to room number 6 and take care of it, okay?
I guess I'm trying this one. Whoa, wait. Wait, what? There's 2 of them.
There's 2 of us.
You guys are twins?
Yes.
How do I tell the difference?
Chill. What up, Teach? Yo. That wasn't awkward. Are you a substitute? Yeah. Oh, substitute! Yeah, no work today. It's wood shop. Oh, do we get to build things? Yeah. I just built a big doghouse, huge. Looking good, huh? Actually, it was small, but you know what? That's lit, yo. Let's build. Can you give me a hand? Okay. We're good. All right, we're good. Yep, I'm fine. Just a teenager. Nothing hurts when you're a teenager. I gotta bring this wood over. This is really, really heavy. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. You think he'll see me leaving? He'll never know.
Where'd the old guy go?
Wait. What are you doing? TikTok? Oh, I need you here. No, TikTok.
Excuse me?
We got patient here for physical therapy.
Wait, PT? Oh, I do PT at gymnastics.
I need you back there now. Let's go.
I don't get teen slang. I mean, who's Kai Cenat? Who's Speed? What's Riz? Riz. I keep hearing Riz in the hallway. Like, do I have Riz? Will you comment below what Riz is? I think I have it. Oh, okay. Hold on. We'll talk.
This is gonna be fun. So, what do you need?
My elbow's really hurting me.
So, Stim, don't worry. I do this for gymnastics, so I know what I'm doing. Well, actually, somebody else does, but I can figure it out. I think I plugged this thingy into something. I got this. There are too many.
A little young, right?
It goes in here.
You sure about that?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Wait! I think I did it wrong.
And then you're gonna turn on this machine?
Yep. Do you feel it?
No, not too.
Okay, that one.
Okay.
More?
Okay.
More? I think more.
No, more. I think we're good.
Keep going.
Perfect.
It's at the highest level.
I think my arm is starting to shake. I think we're good.
Okay, fine. I'll turn it off.
You took off all my arm hair. Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know what? I think I was supposed to put on some alcohol in your arm to make it not hurt. Oh well, I gotta go back to work.
What just happened? Every time I come here, it's awesome, but that was weird. She must be new.
Bro, I'm late for another class. I can't. Oh, no, my kicks are wet. Oh! Kids care about their shoes. That's how they react, right? Oh! I I have to do cheer yoga now? Okay, Salish might end up being top matter because I think I'm gonna quit. Let's do yoga. Ugh. What do you think of my fit? It's mid? It's hard being a teenager.
Hey, listen up, listen up.
Hey, listen up. Yeah, I nailed that kinda. Yeah. Am I like the only dude here?
You are, but that is okay.
Dudes should do cheer too.
Standing pose. Try to focus and find your center.
This isn't easy.
5, 4, 3.
Okay, that was slippery. It's just that my mat is slippery and it's not fair because no one else's is.
Crisscross applesauce.
Uh-oh. There we go, that's comfortable. How are you doing it so easy? This thing is like, I don't know if my body is meant for this yoga thing. I think that maybe this isn't for me today because I don't have the right kicks and I don't want to crease my kicks because they're pandas. Okay, bro, dap it up. I'm gonna try another class, all right? But hey, you stay you.
Mr. Lee might need a call.
Yeah, I think you should call him.
Wait, who's Mr. Lee? The principal?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I already met him once. I'm out of here. Oh, I'm out. All right, no more Mr. Lee. Bye. Team Jordan.
Work's not so bad after all. This is pretty easy. Hi. So Michael wanted me to show you how to do an IV. An IV? Are there needles? Just 2 small needles. Oh, you know what? This job's not for me. I'm gonna talk to Michael. Michael! You know what? Thank you so much for letting me work here, but I don't think this job is for me. I can't do needles, but the place is really great, so I'm sure you'll find someone else. Bye!
Hey, I'm always quitting my job. Heard you're hiring.
Band? I haven't done that in like 40 years. Where do I sit? Hey, yo, I'm Jordan, what's up? Why are you all looking at me?
You might look a little old to me.
What? That's so much hate. I'm just 13.
After work, a lot of adults work out, and they all wear these silly matching sets, so I guess I have to get that. So I see like a lot of adult women wearing like really bright colors, so maybe like hot pink. There are so many options around here. I don't know what to pick. I'm not an adult. Actually, I am today. So why do you guys need all these options? Do I want pockets, flared, cargo pant thingies? I don't know. That's definitely not my size. This is getting stressful. There's still so many things to do. I have to make dinner, do the chores. Ugh, I don't think it's hard, but I'm still not gonna lose. Okay, I think I'm gonna abandon the pink and try maybe all black. I got a black long sleeve and black leggings. Let's check it out. Feeling very adult. Thank you. Perfect.
Is it 1 strap or 2 straps to the backpack?
1 strap on the
2. 2?
Yeah.
We're keeping tally. Yo, dap it up. 1 strap or 2 straps?
2 straps.
2 straps?
That's like old.
So old is 1 strap? I've been doing it the whole day. Yo, 1 strap or 2 straps on the backpack?
1.
It looks like 1 is working. 1? All right, I'm going with 1. Yo, I'm a dip. Yeah, I killed that. I felt good. Yo, I'm a dip. I'm a middle schooler, basically. 1 strap or 2 straps?
2.
2. Really? I thought it was 1, yeah. Hey, Salish, watch this. Come on, yeah! I hope Salish had a hard day at work and she's ready to quit because this teenage thing is no joke. I'm exhausted after going to school all day. At least I get to go home finally because... Jordan, what? Jordan. No, actually, no. No! Stop! Hey! Stop the bus! Stop! Ah! Yo, wait! Why am I going sideways? Will help?
So I guess adults like to work out after they work. Let's try it. I looked up an adult workout routine, and the first thing is walking for 20 minutes. Seriously, this is all I have to do? Next, ab workout? I don't even know how this works. I don't like this machine, I'm too short. Next, box jumps. Whew. Next, machine pull-ups. The machine actually helps me. This adult workout is easier than I thought it would be. This is spin class, but I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be other people in here. I have no idea what this does. Whatever this thing is called. Not a bad workout. I mean, not as hard as gymnastics. Now I guess I'm gonna go to sauna and take a shower and then get changed and go shopping. Because that's what adults do.
Because I'm 14 today and that's not old enough to have a job, I have to volunteer after school. Are you kidding me? That is so mid. Brody's acting crazy right now. Oh, he's so sweet though, actually. Salish would love him. Should I just get him? Cut that.
I'm gonna do what every adult does every day, go shopping. I got 4 scoops of ice cream because adults can eat whatever they want. Yum. I quit my job and I spent all my money. Yep, I'm an adult.
This is not it. I have to do laundry for all the animals? Are you kidding me right now? Oh, a little help? Dude, not a vibe. I gotta wash little Charlie here, but I cannot get my kicks wet. I got you. He's kind of growling at me. Are we beefing right now, Charlie? Bro, we good? I'm hearing a growl, so that doesn't sound good.
Now that I've done all my shopping, it's time to go home. How do I start it? Right.
Whoa. What are you doing?
I'm driving.
Young lady, no way.
Yes.
I'm driving.
Oh, fine.
Now I have to pet puppies? That's awesome. Real Jordan here. Volunteering is actually really awesome. So if you have any time at all, find somewhere in your local community and give it a shot. It's very rewarding. Bruh, he matches my hair. You are so cute. I can't even with him. Okay, this teenage thing is hard. I'm exhausted. I did like 100 things today. I want to quit, but I actually have a secret plan to get Salish to quit. Watch this. I'm gonna be top matter.
So I've already went to work and done all of the adult things, but now I have to do laundry, then I have to clean, cook, and do a bunch of other stuff. I think I might have to quit soon. Normally as a kid, I only do my laundry, but now I have to do everybody's laundry. This adult thing is hard.
Yo, I brought my girlfriend home.
What?
Hey, girl.
Peace.
Are you kidding me? Oh my God, I can't with this right now. OMG, what, Mom?
What do you mean? This is my girlfriend. As long as you want to be an adult, we're just gonna hang out here and like kiss and snuggle.
Stop, that's so gross. Ew, Dad, that's disgusting. Ugh. You know what? You can just have this Matter cup. Just take it. I don't even want it anymore.
Yeah, we're top matter. I just want to thank all of you out there because I've wanted to be top matter for so long and finally I've done it. And just thank you so much. Oh my God, finally I get to take this wig off, and now let's see if Salish can handle turning 21 with her best friend Nadal. Today, my daughter Salish and her best friend Nadal are going to turn 21 years old and do everything adults do for 24 hours.
Wait, Salish, want a kiss?
Yes.
But not all of it is going to be fun. Salish and Nadal both think it's better to be an adult than a kid.
Yeah, and we have freedom.
Okay. I don't think they should be in any hurry to grow up. And so at the end of the day, they are going to take a lie detector test.
Salish, you have a crush on me? Yes or no?
No, not that question. Play the other question.
Which do you like better, being a kid or being an adult?
And if they still think it's better to be an adult, I will pierce my nose. You guys are adults. What do you want to do first?
Spend money. Yeah, spend money.
First, you've got to earn money. You got to get changed for work.
Whoa! Dad! Jordan! Dress? You're tight!
So what you're saying is you prefer being kids?
No, I like this dress. It's cute.
All right, stop complaining. You're wearing your tie, and it is time to go to work.
Is this work? I haven't even had breakfast yet. I thought we were going to do fun things.
Oh, that's all you get for breakfast is a cup of black coffee. Sorry, that's how it is being an adult sometimes. Plus a cheese Danish.
Oh, yay! It's hard.
The first job is you have to sort letters from the mailroom.
What?
Put all of these letters in alphabetical order. Go get them, Tigers. Don't get paid till you do it. Bye.
No way. This is a lot. B, another B, A, B. Hey! Pick those up and get to work right now. No! Isn't how work works. It's not how this works, Salish!
Whoa! What are you doing? Kids or adults?
This adult thing is not that cool. I don't like it. I know. You clean, I'll file. Get to work, go! The little floor feels so nice.
Coming up, Nadal has a huge surprise for Salish.
You know what? I'm firing myself. No, we need to make money. Why do you want to be an adult? Because I can drive. Exactly. You need money to get a car. If we work really hard, then we can save up and have some fun. Okay, fine.
Wow, you guys have made some real progress here. So what do you guys think is better so far, being a kid or an adult? Adult. Really? Huh. Well, if by the end of the day you're willing to take a lie detector test on that and you pass, then you know. Nose piercing. You've earned $0 so far. go back to work. I'll be back in 30 minutes. I want to see these stacked in alphabetical order.
Are you kidding me? You know what? If we get paid, I'm taking all the money. Okay, wait. Okay, don't get anywhere near.
Okay, I gotta check it, and let me make sure you get paid. I am your boss today.
You look like a giraffe.
You have to go make me a cup of coffee, and if I don't like it, you don't get paid. I need my coffee in 5 minutes, go.
Go! Where's the coffee machine? He only likes oat milk. Oh, there's oatmeal. It's cinnamon roll. I guess we're gonna have to go with this. Get it off. Oh, he likes syrup. I don't know where the syrup is. I guess we're just gonna get some sugar. Oh, okay, Needle. I'm so tired.
It's Jordan's coffee, not yours.
It's actually really good. It's good. Now I've got some energy.
Wait, what if he wants a snack or something? Ooh, strawberry.
I don't think this is our food to take.
This one looks good.
This is random people's food. Oh? Come on. Here, boss. Here's your coffee.
I just ordered my very favorite coffee, an oat milk mocha. If I don't like yours better, you don't get paid. Oh, that's good. And now what's this called?
Salish coffee.
Yeah, I could see that as a product someday. Okay, Salish coffee. Actually, what is that? Sandy, what'd they put in there?
Sandy, blur the products.
Secret ingredient. I'm gonna give this to you. You won this round and you get paid. You just made $2,000, okay?
Good job!
Let's be honest, nobody would make $2,000 for what they just did, but we're giving them an extra budget for the rest of the video. Here's $2,000. Okay, hold on. Give me $1,000 back for taxes. No, you want to be an adult? It's taxes. Make
taxes for
$1,000
what?
up to make the roads work and the police force and the fire trucks.
I'll give you 500.
You can't negotiate taxes. You still like being adults? How's that adult thing going for you?
Okay, this is actually still a lot of money.
Now here's your choice. You guys, actual Nadal, actual Salish, have $1,000 in your hand. You can just stop and keep it and save it and not spend it like an adult should do. Save your money.
No, spend. Spend what?
You guys are, kids, they don't know what to do with money.
Okay, so what should we do with our money?
Obviously order a limo.
No. That's way too much money. No. No, do not order a limo. Come on, no.
I'm one click away.
And yes, got it.
Jordan, look. Wait, Salish, want a kiss?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Our first kiss through the glass. Well, was it our first?
Remember, at the end of the video, Salish and Nadal are taking a lie detector test.
You think Nadal is cute?
These clips are driving me crazy.
Whoa! Hey, no! Girls first! So, how much did this cost?
$300.
What? I could have gotten a way better deal than that. Excuse me? Can you pull over?
Why did you do that?
Well, I'm gonna negotiate.
Salish.
What?
That's not how life works.
Yeah, it is. Hello.
Hello.
I love this limo, and it's like amazing and great, but I think he paid a little bit too much for it. You know, he just like doesn't understand money. He's like new to being 21, but I've had a job for a while, so I know how money works. We're kind of on a budget. Is there anything we could do at all to get a discount?
Only one thing I can think of.
See, Needle, this is so fun.
Salish, we only saved like $100.
You know how much money that is, Needle? $100 is a lot. With $100, I could get like something from Sephora, or like 2 pairs of jeans, or like 10 million pink drinks. Part of being a responsible adult is to save money. What?
Look what you just got on our shirt.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my God, Needle! Shut! No! You missed. There's nothing left. Wait. No!
Salish, now I have to go change.
Yeah, I have to change because now I'm also wet.
Kids, they're actually supposed to be 21 today. For sure they are. That's 21, yeah. You know, adults can act like that. They just usually don't. Maybe we should more, because that actually looked kind of fun.
By the way, you got this little piece of hair wet. What the heck?
You started it.
No, you started it. Sandy, replay this clip. He started it. Oh my God, Angel! Okay, so what do you want to do?
I want to drive.
What?
Yeah.
Thank you!
Thanks. Oh, this looks so fun. I can't wait.
We're at K1 Speed, and this is the best racetrack in Southern California. California.
You guys ready?
Yes.
Can I see your driver license real quick?
Oh.
You're 21, right?
We didn't bring it. No, yeah, but we are. Yeah.
All right, black flag is our safety flag. If anybody's out there being too unsafe of a driver and we need to remove them, that's how we're gonna do it. Don't bump and don't slide around the track.
Oh, you're getting a black flag.
Who do you think is gonna be the slower driver?
Me. I've never done this before. You've done it so many times.
So you guys are 21. What kind of cars you drive?
Audi RS. I haven't gotten a car yet, but I want a white Jeep.
You guys ready?
Yep.
All right, who's gonna win?
Me.
Let's find out.
I'm sorry. Salish. What? Why'd you bump into me? Because it was fun. It's not bumper cars.
Salish versus Nadal, the race of the century. Are you guys feeling like kids or adults right now?
Adults.
Do more kids or adults use this racetrack?
More adults.
Oh, no! That's not what I was hoping to hear.
But we're not kids. We're adults.
My little girl versus what I imagine is going to be a crazy, reckless Nadal. Here we go. Racers, start your engines. On your marks, get set. Go! There they go, and they're off. Go get him, little girl. Yeah, here we go. First time behind a wheel. Look at her go. Right? Oh! Oh! That's what I've always been afraid of.
Oops. Oopsies, I just hit the thing. Now I'm losing.
Not sure about her as a driver when she's 21. Go slow, Say.
I'm trying. No! He's on his second lap and he's already past me.
Okay, guys, so I'm clearly gapping Salish so bad right now.
That's it, Say. Slow and steady. Both hands on the wheel. That's my little girl.
Stop.
She's doing great. No, that was too fast. A little slower.
Dad, stop it! Do you guys have an annoying dad? Just saying.
Salish, I'm way ahead of you!
No, Needle. He's already on his third one and he's way past me.
Salish doesn't know this, but I'm a very good driver.
Okay, slow it down, buddy. Slow it down. Slow it down. Oh, that drove me crazy.
Guys, this is amazing. I'm going so fast. This is so fun.
I'm being a really safe driver. You know, maybe I'll actually be a good driver. If I crashed like I just did, maybe I won't be a good driver.
Salish!
No! I hate you!
If they ever end up a couple and they're not going to end up a couple, he is not the driver.
How does Needle go so fast? You know, it's fine. It's my first time, and this is like his 8th time or something like that. It's okay. As long as I'm trying. This is terrifying. I do not ever want to be a race car driver.
Salish!
Stop it!
Salish!
Needle! I'm literally gonna kill him. This car can't go any faster. I think it's just because I'm really bad, so they're slowing it down.
What Salish doesn't know is I told them to not let her car go so fast. They can control it. I'm an overprotective dad, okay? Salish! She did great. She only crashed once. Straight into a wall, but hey.
This is pretty fun, honestly.
In summary, neither of them are ready to drive.
Oh!
I think you look risky. Is it really that bad?
No, it looks great.
Wait, can I actually please fix a piece? There we go. Look, now it looks better.
So what do each of you think about driving when you're 21?
I'll drive when I'm 16.
I'll drive when I'm 16.
Salish, you just came out of that thinking, yeah, I'm ready to drive when I'm 16?
Yes.
Whenever I get my driver's license, I'm gonna make a video taking Salish on a drive.
Well, we'll see about that. In first place, we have Needle Wonder. Woo! And Salish Matter is in first place, obviously. First. The winners.
Wait.
Okay, being 21 is actually pretty cool. I mean, we get to drink this, vodka and champagne, not Coke and Sprite. That racetrack was so much fun. By the way, how much was that?
It was only like $60.
Only? I could have bought so many clothes with that much.
All right, Jordan, let me speak to you man to man, adult to adult. Salish runs your entitled channel. She does the intros for you. She does all the challenges for you.
It's not adult to adult, it's adult to grandpa.
All you do is take pictures. Oh wait, you don't even do that anymore.
Every intro is me. Today, my daughter Salish. That's me saying that. There is no rush growing up, kids. See how all this energy up? This is kid energy.
Well, what about you? You have energy and you're 50.
Ah! Cut that right now, Sandy.
What should we do next?
I think we should go to the mall.
Absolutely no. You don't always have to spend your money just because you got it. We could go to the gym.
Yeah, you do.
Or we could go on a walk. Or we could go for a bike ride. Or or we could play a board game, or we could go...
Ew, you're so boring. No, the mall.
No. Okay, how about we make a compromise? I get half of the money, and you get half of the money, so I can spend it on clothes, and you can spend it on boy things. Baseball caps, Naruto things, I don't know. How much longer until the mall?
I don't know, but I'm so tired.
I think we're stuck here. Let's get up. I can't. Oh no, we have an audience. Come on, let's go.
Oh shoot.
I think those people thought we were gonna be someone cool.
Yeah, I know. They're like filming us when we got out, and I almost was stripped.
Yeah, and then we're just us.
What's the plan, guys? What are you gonna do? You're 21, you're in a mall. Shocking, kids go to malls.
Salish, I'm so hungry. All we ate was that Danish and coffee.
I didn't eat the Danish.
Oh yeah, sorry, I ate it all.
We could get something cheap.
Ooh yeah, steak dinner.
No, do you want to have any money to spend on cool things?
Nope, just steak.
We're gonna spend a little money on food because there's no reason to waste money on food. What's the cheapest thing that you can eat here?
We're at the cake pops are like $2.75.
2 cake cups, and can we also have 2 glasses of water? Thank you. See, that's how you should order. It's kind of cool to be an adult because you have so much freedom.
I like being an adult because I can do whatever I want, when I want, where I want.
Look, Nito, we got our water.
Wow.
They didn't cost anything, and they're the best here.
Tastes like water.
This is actually a really good meal.
No.
Hey guys, you know that when you're an adult, you actually have to start thinking about nutrition because your body starts breaking down. Cake pops for lunch, bad idea. This is a way you should have actually spent a little bit of money. With a healthy salad or a soup or something.
Yeah, we'll be healthy. Because tomorrow we'll be healthy.
So this is it for you for lunch.
Yep.
Cake pops and water.
Yep.
Kids.
So we only have 30 minutes left in this mall because I have a really special surprise planned out for us.
Wait, what's the surprise?
I can't tell you.
What is it?
What store do you want to go to?
Sephora. Come on, let's go.
Why would you want to go to Sephora out of everything?
I need to find a new moisturizer because I just ran out of mine. I'm gonna test them on you. Come on. Okay, let's just get a new moisturizer. Stop it.
What does it do?
Feel good?
No, I don't like it.
This moisturizer. No, I have to put it on. What does it feel like?
No, I don't really like it that much.
Okay, I guess we have to try one more. That's not a moisturizer. That's a toner. Oh, okay. He's just dousing himself with that. I guess he likes it. Do you like that one?
Yeah.
Well, that's not a moisturizer. Last one. This one's trending really big right now.
Let me rub it.
I'm gonna try it. No, move.
Wait, I need to see myself.
No. Do you like this one or no?
I like it.
Okay, I guess this one's the one that we're getting.
Don't show that right there, please.
No! Okay, it's $100, but you look like you kind of need it for your skin because you don't do that much skincare. I guess we're getting this for Needle, but we gotta go right now. I'm so proud of Needle. I mean, this is very 21 of you to take care of your skin.
What?
We should go get shoes, and that's very adult of us to like put our money together. So come on, let's go.
So what shoes do you want?
I'm not getting shoes, I'm getting shoes for you.
Wait, but I already got the skincare.
So? You're gonna get shoes. Come on, let's try some. What? Which ones do you like?
You're getting him shoes and you got him skincare?
Yeah.
Are you getting anything?
No.
Yes, you have to get something.
No, I don't want to spend the money. I feel bad. You said you wanted shoes. What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
No, I have an idea.
This is really sweet.
Ooh, these right here. I love these.
I love those. You should definitely get those.
Look at that. These are really nice. Wait, sis, but I want you to get something.
No, it's fine. Usually I want to save money, but I really want you to have those shoes, so let's just do it.
I can't get these. I can't.
Yes, we can.
I can't. Wait, what?
Excuse me?
Salish.
When you're 21, I mean, do you just work and then that day go out and buy a new pair of Jordans?
No.
No, right? What's better, a kid or an adult?
Being a kid.
Being a kid, that's your vote? What do you guys think, kids or adults?
Adult.
At the end of this, they're gonna take a lie detector test and we're gonna find out for sure. And if they both actually prefer to be adults, I have to pierce my nose.
Oh, wow.
Let's just do a graphic. I don't know if I rock that.
Salish, I actually don't want to get these. I don't want to waste the money.
Well, too late. We already paid.
What?
Tag.
Wait, what? Tag.
They're not 21.
Now it's time for the surprise. You're gonna love the sunset and your surprise.
Okay. While we're waiting to go to the big surprise, we're gonna do a game of who's most likely to, but you're gonna have to go to Needle's channel to figure it out.
Who's more likely to crush on their best friend and not tell them?
You. Do you see that guilty smile?
Oh, he has a crush on me. All right, Salish, are you ready?
Yes, I'm scared.
3, 2, 1.
A boat ride? Yeah. Fun to be an adult, but it's also kind of fun to be a kid.
If we were adults, we wouldn't have been able to rent this.
True. But we have our entire lives to be adults, but kids, we can only do that right now. We didn't have that much money left. How did you afford this? It's so nice.
I had to negotiate.
Are you serious? We have to do this right now?
Oh, but it's so worth it.
Definitely. How about we recreate Titanic?
Let's go.
Remember when you said you were going overseas?
Yeah.
And you weren't coming back for a long time?
All right, Salish, I'm gonna be leaving LA very soon, so I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be able to see you is.
And you came back? Why? Is it because you missed me?
I had a layover.
You missed me. I had a layover. You missed me.
No.
All right, it's time for the big moment. Let's see, with the lie detector test, if they prefer being a kid or an adult. Watching her play 21 today was really fun, but I actually love that she's still only 13. I'm not in any hurry for her to be 21, but when she is, it's gonna be awesome. This is John, the ultimate polygraph examiner, and he is gonna determine whether or not Nadal and Salish are telling the truth or lying.
I'm really scared. I'm really scared.
Remember, if both of them answered that they would prefer to be an adult over a kid and they're telling the truth, I have to get a nose piercing.
Did you come back to Los Angeles because you missed Salish?
No.
That's a lie.
I didn't though.
That's a lie.
This is fun.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
True.
True.
Do you like your new sneakers?
Love them.
True. Time for the big question. What do you like better? Being an adult or being a kid?
Definitely adult. Definitely. I can do whatever I want when I'm an adult.
True.
Woo!
What?
I knew it!
Nadal, what are you rushing for, dude? You've got your childhood.
So much funner.
You have years of adulthood. It's awesome, but you only have a few years left of childhood. Oh, plus I'm one step closer to a nose piercing. That was a terrible answer.
Woo!
Salish, your childhood, it's gold. It's
Stop it.
gold.
Stop
Don't
it.
waste it. And don't get me a nose piercing. Okay, Salish, your turn.
I'm nervous.
Did you go over budget today?
No.
That's true. Do you think your dad is cringy?
Unbelievably cringy.
True.
Actually, you believe that
Yes,
for
sir.
real? I always thought she was joking about that.
Salish, do you like me?
No.
Ooh.
Lie.
Yeah, I do like you as a friend. I'm not lying. I like you as a friend.
Salish, you have a crush on me? Yes or no?
I don't know.
True.
She doesn't know.
Have you ever kissed anybody? A boy?
Yeah, you.
Wait, what?
True.
Whoa.
Remember Valentine's Day?
Oh,
when
that?
you fell out of the back bend?
Okay, I'll take that. That was not a kiss. That was just an accident.
Anyways, next one.
Do you think Nadal is cute?
He used to be.
Do you think Nadal is cute now?
Salish, it took you a while to answer. Salish.
He's okay.
Oh, hurry.
It depends on your hair day.
True.
Would you guys agree to do a full what you feel about each other lie detector test together? Would you do it if we get 1 million likes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, 1 million likes, they will do this. Don't give us 1 million likes, actually, because I don't know if I want to hear that. Now, for the final question. Am I getting a nose piercing? Ask her the question.
Which do you like better? Being a kid or being an adult?
Adult.
Big lie.
Yes! Oh, yes!
No!
Yes!
No! A big lie! No, because I wanted him to get a nose piercing!
But you actually like being a kid.
Sometimes.
I'll take sometimes. I don't get a nose piercing.
More questions! More questions!
You want more questions? You know what you gotta do. 1 million likes.
This is an all-boys school, and today I'm gonna sneak in and survive the day without getting caught.
And I'm gonna give Salish a bunch of challenges that will be almost impossible for her to complete.
Whoa, this is actually unfair. I'm gonna get caught, Ori.
This is so loud.
The principal is for sure gonna find me.
I gotta find this girl.
And believe me when I tell you that Salish is going to bring complete chaos to this school.
The first person to find me wins $50. Go!
Oh, wait. It's the whole place. Wait, where?
Hey, wait a second. You guys stop. You guys need to get back to class. No. Hey, come here, guys. Come.
And I feel so bad for the principal.
Everybody back to class.
And if I don't get caught, I can buy one huge thing with my dad's credit card.
Wait, what? How'd she get my credit card?
Come on, hurry up.
Me? I wasn't ready for this. I don't look like a high school student.
And I look like a boy? Yes, you're going. Let's go. Come on.
All right. Salish, you literally have bows on your jeans.
Oh, my bad.
Tuck in the braid, too.
But I don't want to look like a boy.
Yeah, we're trying to blend in.
Then you put on a hood.
Hey, well, no.
Put on your hood.
Hey, Salish, I'm gonna win.
Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna get to buy something on your credit card. Wait, they have uniforms.
Oh, shoot. Hey, Salish and Ari are the only ones literally not in a uniform. They're gonna get busted in like 5 seconds.
We gotta find a way to get the uniforms, okay?
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. Hurry up.
All right, gentlemen, good morning. Come on in.
Good to see you. Come on in. How are things going?
Excuse me, young man in the green.
The principal's noticing, Salish, this might be over quick.
Young man in the green.
Today,
Yeah, I believe.
I think he was gonna go after Salish until that kid started talking to him.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, we gotta go find the hoodie. All have the same hoodie.
All right, let's go. Come on. We gotta go quick, Salish. Come on. Okay.
The school board has given Salish permission to be there today, so she's not trespassing or anything, but the principal, the teachers, and the students do not know she's there. I'll be watching everything on this monitor, including the security cameras from the school, which they've given me access to. This is the principal, and he doesn't know we're filming this video, but it seems like he can feel that something is up at school today. I have no idea what he might do if he catches Salish or Ari.
Hurry up, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Where are all of the kids?
I don't know. It's kind of weird.
Today there's a field trip at the school, which means that almost all the students aren't even there. So Salish's plan to disappear into the crowd isn't going to be easy.
I thought that was a window.
That's a TV.
Where are we gonna find the hoodie? Maybe there's like a lost and found?
Oh, that is so smart. Lost and found. They might actually find something. I hadn't even thought of that.
Let's just go walk around and look.
I don't want him to catch me, Ari. I'm scared.
I know we can't get caught, Salish.
Okay.
Shh.
He's like right there. He's right around the corner.
It's locked.
All right, come on.
Maybe there's a hoodie. No.
If one person sees you, they're gonna know you're a girl. I mean,
So
look at
sweet,
you.
thanks.
No, this isn't
Thank
a
you,
compliment.
Ari. I mean, yeah, that's not very good, but thanks.
Oh no, he's right there. Salish, he's right there. She can't hear me. She has no idea he's around the corner. Is this thing over before she gets to her first class?
Ari, why is there nobody here? I mean, aren't there supposed to be like 3,000 kids? I thought I was gonna blend in with like a million kids. There's like 10 kids here.
This makes it even harder for us to blend in.
I know. Really, Ari, you're so smart. Wow.
Thanks, that's why I'm in school still.
Good job.
All right, let's go down this way.
Salish might think the principal is looking for her, but she doesn't realize how close he is to her right now. But unfortunately for me, he decided to go look for them outside the building. I don't want her to spend my credit card. Here's what happened the last time she got my credit card. They just spent $1,200 on a flight to Vegas. $753 at Prada. Let's go. They are out of freaking control. Yeah, you see why I'm stressed out about this.
I think you need to go inside and ask them for the lost and found to get a hoodie.
I look so much older than you.
But you look like a boy. Put on your hoodie and go into the administrative office and then just ask for the lost and found. Put on your hoodie, bro.
Okay, all right, fine.
Okay, go.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't get caught.
If one administrator sees her face, this thing is over.
Excuse me?
Hello.
Hi, I think I lost my hoodie. I just wanted to come to the Lost and Found to see if you had it by any chance.
I have a box right here. Go ahead and take a look at the box, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, perfect. I think these are it. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Good day.
Let's go. Salish, we got it. Come on, let's go.
Oh, they got their uniforms.
Let's go.
Salish, we need to change.
Put your hoodie on over here.
Yeah, put your hoodie on first.
Go quickly. Hurry up.
Almost done?
Hey guys, what are you doing?
She's gone.
Hey, just because everybody's at Disneyland does not mean you get a day off. Let's go to class. Let's go.
We're ready.
Hey, come on.
I didn't even have to give her a challenge. A teacher just busted her. She's got to go to a class. How is she going to do this?
Come on, guys. Stop dragging your feet.
Oh my gosh, Ari, this cafeteria is so nice. Normally it would be full of all boys.
Yeah, and I'm sure you could find at least one to date, but let's be real. You might have a hard time doing that.
Shut up, Ari! You probably couldn't
Guys,
even
let's
find
go.
one.
Come on, over here.
Let's go.
You're late. Let's go. Let's go.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh, Ari, it smells like my brother.
Let's go sit there.
Do I look like a boy, Ari?
Yeah, I feel like you kind of blend in.
Hey!
Whoa, I just got hit with a paper airplane. What the heck? Wait, Salish, are there any boys in here that you think are cute? I mean, there's a lot of options.
I already have my boy, Ari.
What?
I'm kidding.
Who's your boy?
Who's her boy? Wait a second. Someone left a comment on the last video challenging Salish to come here to this school on this specific day. So at least one of these boys sent her this comment, and oh my gosh, he might have a crush on Salish. Okay, you know what? It's time for the first challenge. I'm gonna text it to her. If this doesn't get her busted, it's definitely gonna make one of the students very angry at her.
Wait, I just got a text. There's a whoopee cushion in your bag. Use it to prank a student.
What? That is the lamest prank ever. Your dad is such a boomer.
Okay, all right, let's see at the end of the day if you still have a job. How about that? We'd never do that. I love you, Ari.
Boomer.
Boomer.
Do it now. There's no one looking. Go, 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 go.
Oh my gosh, Ari, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Okay.
You do it, you do it. Okay, okay.
Okay, all right.
All right. Settle down, everyone. Settle down. Please take your seats. Really? Seriously. Come on.
All right, big funny man. What is this?
Excuse me. What seems to be the problem?
This guy put a whoopee cushion on my
I did
chair.
not do that, actually.
You're always.
Well, how immature do you think I am, huh?
Very immature, in fact.
We're in grade school. Please, just have a seat.
Oh, he's blaming him. She didn't even get busted for that?
All right, whoever did this, I'm gonna find you, okay?
You're not going to find anybody. Have a seat, please. My name is Mr. Davis. I am here because you are here, and you are here because your parents did not want you to go to Disneyland.
I see. The field trip is to Disneyland. The entire school went, and these students are not allowed to go because their parents didn't give them permission.
So, you're in study hall. Let's get to work.
The students are on a field trip. That's why there's no one here. It all makes sense.
Yeah, bro, it smells so bad in here.
Get used to it, because now you're a boy, and you're gonna be spending all day here. Maybe you need to smell bad. What are you gonna do with all the money? Are you gonna tell me?
Nah.
Doesn't matter, Ari, what she's doing with the credit card because she's not going to win the challenge, so she won't get it. Last time Salish got my credit card for a day, this happened.
We got this shirt, these pants, and this hoodie.
Just spending money right in front of me and I can't get there. They just spent $434 at Sephora. My first challenge was a bust, but I have a better idea for challenge number 2.
I just got a text.
You must raise your hand and ask the teacher a question.
Say you left your notebook in your locker and you need to go grab it really quick.
No, I can't leave the classroom. The principal could catch me.
Okay.
Do you have a pencil?
It's not about the question you ask, it's about the sound of your voice. Doesn't matter what you ask, you're not gonna be able to sound like a boy.
Okay, all right, yeah, it's a harmless question. Make sure that you're talking in a guy voice, okay?
Yes, sir. Question?
Do you have a pencil?
Sounds talk like a guy.
Say again.
Dude, it's over. She sounds like a girl. That was a girl. How is that nobody in the class just noticed that?
Do you have a pencil?
You've got to speak a little bit louder.
Oh, wait. The principal's coming. Oh, there he is.
Talk like a guy.
Hello, gentlemen. Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, yes!
Quick question for you, gentlemen.
my God.
Has anyone seen this morning a student wandering around the halls, or maybe in one of your classes wearing a green hoodie, like a small little guy?
A small guy.
Like maybe somebody's tried to sneak in their younger brother or something as a prank? Anything? Nobody's seen like a young small boy in a green hoodie?
The principal knows Salish is there. He's looking for her. Yes!
You haven't heard of somebody saying they're pulling a prank today? All right. Well, listen, if you see any kid walking around green hoodie, please let your teacher know, let me know, let's looking for this kid. All right? Thank you, guys. Get back to work. You guys are doing a fantastic job.
Oh my gosh, sorry. Did you hear that? That's the bell. Let's go. That's the bell. Hurry up, Ari. Let's go.
Let's go.
15 minutes.
That was so close, Salish.
Crazy, Ari.
Oh, you think because you got out of it, you're not going to get another challenge? I'm just banging out the challenges right now. I'm hungry. I want some coffee. I want to get her busted before lunch.
That was crazy.
I know, bro, right? That was like actually insane. Wait, hold up. I just got a text.
Again?
Oh my gosh, it's from my dad again.
What does he want?
He said, you must reveal yourself to one student to convince him to help you break into the principal's office.
What, does he want us to lose the challenge?
Yeah, he does want us to, so I don't spend his money.
Come on, she's busted. This is over.
We have to figure out which guy we're gonna pick.
Okay.
The tall guy? Tall guys are chill.
If we broke into somewhere, he wouldn't be able to hide, would he?
You're right. What about the guy in like the brown pants?
All of them are wearing brown pants.
Oh, the guy right there.
There's no other kid.
Oh, they're done now.
Yo, bro, you should just really close your bag. Your green hoodie's sticking out.
Oh, thank you.
You okay? You look a little tense.
Isn't that the same guy who was talking to the principal and Salish snuck in at the beginning of the day? That dude knows that Salish is the kid the principal's looking for.
Yeah, no, I'm good. This is my friend.
He okay?
Yeah, he's all good.
Kind of just stuffed his head in a locker. I don't think he's okay.
I think he was just looking for something.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll catch you later. What's your name again?
Yeah, my name was Ari. What about yours?
Ari? It's Gio.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Hey, what was your name, by the way?
Yo, I'm chill. My name is Leo.
Liam? That's a cool
No,
name.
Leo.
No, Leo. Oh,
Yeah.
makes a lot more sense. Are you a girl?
No, are you a girl?
Yo!
Just come with us. Just don't say anything. Come with us.
Come with you?
Hurry up.
Come on.
Oh, hey, what's going on?
He just discovered she's a girl, and then he's about to tell all his friends that Salish is a girl, and then stopped.
You gotta explain a little bit first.
Okay,
You're not even gonna hold the door open? Wow.
Basically, this is like a YouTube video.
YouTube
and
video.
On like the last YouTube video, there was
last
a
YouTube
comment.
videos?
And then, yeah, there was like a comment that said to sneak into this all-boys school.
Is this the kid that left the comment?
But like there are challenges along the way, and I can't get found out. Like nobody can see me except for you, I guess.
I mean, he's seen you.
Yeah, but he's chill. Right,
Yeah,
Ari?
I'm kind of part of this.
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So please promise you're not going to tell the principal.
I promise.
Okay, bet.
Salish. I think he might be the guy. Like, maybe he left the comment?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Like, maybe he's a fan?
Wait, Jared, did you leave the comment?
Who are you?
Ari, you're so stupid!
What? You just got so humbled!
Ari! Anyways, can you just show me where the principal's office is?
Sure.
Why is he going along with this? Does he just want to be in a YouTube video, or?
Okay, all right, it's only gonna take like 5 minutes.
I really just gotta get to class in 10. So.
Okay, well, whatever, let's go. Okay.
Obviously, do not try any of this at school unless you have permission from the school itself to be doing it. Looks like the principal is very close to Salish.
Come on, the principal's office is just like right there.
Okay, so could you like knock and see if anyone's in there?
Knock?
I'm a girl, I can't, they'll know I'm a girl. You're a boy, you got this. Come on, Ari.
Is the principal coming back to his office? Oh my God, if the principal's coming back to his office, he's going to totally bust them right now.
Okay, great, I did it.
I have 2 hours left to get Salish busted or she gets my credit card, and that's a disaster.
Open the door.
What are you going on?
Oh yeah, my bad.
Your braid, Salish has been out all day.
Oh, there he is. They're done now. For another challenge, I'm going to make Salish write a note to the principal, revealing herself and challenging him to find her.
I gotta post it. I'm gonna say, someone's skipping school, try to catch him.
This school is huge. He is literally taking forever to get back to his office. Oh my God, he's coming. She's so slow.
Salish, hurry. It's coming, come on, hurry.
Try.
Oh my gosh, hurry. You write so slow.
Go to your office. Go left, go left, go left. No, he went right.
Sorry, I was making hearts. Okay,
Hearts?
What? Yes. All right, let's go, let's go.
Why are you making hearts? When he finds the note, he'll be looking for it. I don't have nearly as much time as I thought I had to get her busted because I just found out that since most of the students aren't at school today, it's only a half day.
Okay.
Nice of you to join us. Please have a seat.
Can you guys believe it? But Salish is almost 16 years old. You know what happens when you're 16? You can drive. Like, I could see Salish buying a car. A pink Jeep, to be specific. That's what she's been hoping for one day, a pink Jeep. Okay, what other crazy things can Salish spend my money on?
Salish, get up.
I'm tired.
I know we're in school, but there's no nap time.
Yes, there is.
Salish.
Every history class, it's a nap time.
The principal is walking around the hall and Salish is so close. Salish is in the next hallway over and the principal's walking in that direction.
Get up. Salish, your phone.
It's time to wake Salish up with a new challenge and she's 100% gonna get busted with this one.
You have a text from your dad again.
Grab the speaker in your backpack and play any song on volume 10 while running through the hallways for the 60 seconds.
Bro, this guy's ridiculous.
Bro, this is actually unfair.
I left a speaker for Salish in her backpack. She had no idea until right now.
Okay, now I'm gonna play a song.
The principal's walking around. There could be other teachers, administrators. If any of them hear this music, this is over.
That's so loud. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna get caught, Ori.
This is so loud.
The principal is for sure gonna find me.
Oh my God.
The principal definitely heard that. Now, I think he's trying to figure out where the music is coming from.
How much longer is the song?
I don't know.
Come on, somebody find her. She's right there.
Ori, we're so lucky that these classrooms are empty because if not, we would be busted.
Come on, somebody's got to find her. This is ridiculous. Five seconds.
Wait, turn it off. It's on. Turn it off.
Okay.
Seems like nothing is working today. How lucky is she?
Oh, thank God. That was so loud.
These challenges were good, but they're going to get better. Oh, wow, do I have a good one towards the end if we get there.
This is gonna get us caught. I have to find a place to hide this backpack because he's looking for a green hoodie.
Wait, Wait, Salish, just how about under these benches?
Oh, that's a good idea. You can barely even see it. Okay, let's go, let's go.
In case the principal comes and starts looking through backpacks, she doesn't want to have hers with her.
Now we just have to find a place to hide.
Time to find out who wrote the comment on the video. Is one of these kids at school?
I just got another text. Oh my gosh. Ask 3 students if they left a comment on the video.
What?
Ori, in order to ask them, then I have to show my face.
Now she has to talk to 3 more students. One of them is going to tell on her.
I think I have a really good idea. Come on, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Make sure the principal doesn't see us. Like, just walk slow and have your head down. Ori, this is crazy, but just stay, like, right here.
What is she doing?
Salish is going right up to Gio again.
She's gonna get caught. Oh, wait, is that Gio? That is. Actually, okay.
Hey! Okay, Gio, I have to like ask 3 people if they commented on the video. So can you do that? And here, can you put in these earbuds and then I'll just tell you what to say.
Okay.
If I'm telling you what to say, then that's basically like I'm doing the challenge. So, yeah.
I guess that counts, but the point was to get her to ask herself, obviously, so she would get busted. So she just outthought me there.
Can you put on your hood so that they don't see your AirPods?
You make me do too much.
Okay, thank you.
What? Why is this kid Gio doing everything she says?
Go to the ping pong people guy.
Hey,
I actually go to the pool guy.
the pool. Never mind. Sorry.
Do we think that whoever left the comment did so because they have a crush on Salish? And if so, who is it? I want to know.
Would you guys?
Wait, actually go to the pool people.
This is the pool people.
Ping pong people.
Are you okay? Ping pong. Yeah, 1 second.
What do you want him to do, Salish?
I got
Okay,
that.
pool table actually. Don't pick up the ball for them.
Hi.
Okay, good job. Okay, now you just leave. Just leave.
He's literally doing everything she told him to do. Why?
Oh, no.
Nope.
We're right here.
Cool.
Yeah, actually, good job. Thanks for that.
Yeah.
It wasn't confusing, right?
No, not at all. Yes, it was confusing.
They all look completely clueless, so I don't think the person that left the comment was in that room.
Well, you didn't find out who left the comment.
Well, maybe they're not in there.
You should go up and make an announcement.
I feel like I kind of already asked everybody.
No, but you should make an announcement. Stand on that pool table.
I wouldn't want my shoes to get on it. Okay. Hi, everybody. Would you guys know about a YouTube comment asking people to come here?
A YouTube comment?
Yep.
Dude, what are you talking about? What?
Cool. Cool.
Why are you being so weird?
Oh.
You're gonna break the pool table.
No. It's okay. It's so sturdy. Sturdy.
Are you good?
Okay, I am okay.
Guess no one left the comment. Let's go.
I guess not.
I actually have like a little gift for you for helping me so much.
Wait. Did they just see the principal? Because he is around the corner.
This is gonna be the best. Go quick. Let's go. I just decided to give you this really nice hoodie.
Wait, that's my hoodie.
Alright, you'll be fine.
He's coming right at them. They don't even realize it.
Salish, the principal's coming. Oh my God, go. You have to go.
He's going after them.
You have to stay quiet though, guys.
They left the backpack. He was right there.
Let's just hide right here. Alright, can you see me?
That's a terrible spot.
Will the principal find Salish before the end of the school buzzer rings? Remember, it's a half day, so we don't have much time left.
Do you think the principal got my backpack? That has my green hoodie in it.
Oh.
So I might be busted.
Piece of advice, don't listen to Salish.
Hurry up. Just put this hood on. Just go.
Take a seat.
I don't see Gio getting out of this. Not by listening to Salish.
Is this your bag, Gio?
No, that is not my bag.
This backpack?
No.
This isn't your backpack?
I don't recognize it at all.
The school board gave us permission to do this challenge, so I don't think they're going to get Gio into serious trouble, but he doesn't know that right now.
Do you recognize the sweatshirt in this backpack?
Say that you don't know what it is.
I don't know what that is.
Do you know who wrote this note, son?
Say no.
I have never seen that
It
handwriting
says,
before.
someone is skipping class. Come try to find them. Is that your handwriting?
Say I just typed.
I just type on my computer.
I don't know how to write.
I don't know how to write.
This is a
actually.
serious situation.
I understand completely.
You haven't seen this green sweatshirt before?
Say chill out, bro.
I think you need to chill out.
Oh, so you're gonna be funny, young man. Well, let me ask you a question. What if we check the security cameras that are placed all around the school?
The security cameras. Wait.
Oh, yes.
Listen, buddy, this is one last chance. Tell me the truth, or I'm going to show the security camera footage. If you make one little appearance, You, sir, will be suspended from school for 1 month.
A month?
Gio, just tell the truth. It's fine. I don't want you to get in trouble. Rat me out. Just please stall. Just stall for a long time. Okay, bye.
That was the right thing to do. She doesn't want Gio to get in trouble, so she told him to rat her out.
Salish, we have to go.
So, there.
Now he's pausing and speaking so slowly to give Salish time to get away.
Might be a girl on campus, and I may have been helping her, but it's totally okay.
There's a girl on campus.
You know, actually, is that what I said?
You just said there's a girl on campus.
Did I?
Where is the girl now?
Okay, all right. Should we go up here?
Salish, I'm actually proud of you here. That was the right thing to do, to tell Gio to be honest, but you are so busted right now. Where are you gonna go?
Let's go over here.
Are there any open classrooms?
No, there aren't. No.
What about this door?
No.
Let's go back the other way.
They're making a YouTube video. Someone challenged them to come here. It's not their fault.
Where is she?
I really don't know. I gotta get to class. I'm so sorry.
We need to find this girl.
Locked.
Locked? Shoot.
Locked.
Don't forget, I still have some challenges left.
Let's go
All
back.
right, let's go back.
Go to class. I'm gonna deal with you later.
Thank you. Am I gonna be in trouble?
Maybe. Just go to class.
Gio went back to class. I'm gonna make sure he doesn't get busted for helping Salish. It looks like Salish and Ari are trying to find a hiding spot to ride it out.
I gotta find this girl.
Okay, now the principal knows what Salish is looking for, and he's not wasting any time trying to find her. She is 100% done.
Wait, in here?
We're down here.
Oh, what if it's the elevator? How
Can you
about
close
we?
the door? Pull it hard.
Salish and Ari just think they're gonna hide in the elevator? Absolutely no way. I've got another challenge for Salish, and this is gonna be the best one yet, and it's my last one. Watch this. We're running out of time, but this is gonna get her busted.
Oh no, I just got it. No. Sneak back into the principal's office and reveal yourself using the intercom.
What?
Ori, this is gonna get us caught. Come on.
Oh my God, I only have 30 minutes. She's gonna get my credit card. And she can spend it on anything she wants. What do you guys think it'll be?
Okay.
Be quiet, okay? Yes, go on.
I had to do the challenge when the principal wasn't in the office. But the second she gets on the intercom, he'll know where she is and he'll come running to catch her before she can get away.
My name is Salish.
Or Leo, as you might know me. I'm actually a girl. Anyways, school's ending in like about 15 minutes. If you leave class right now, you can come try and find me. Get your phones out, start vlogging, and put your hoodies up. The first person to find me wins $50. Go!
Oh, wait. Do not move. Do not leave. Wait.
She said $50. Wait, who's Salish though? We are gonna find Sayla.
$50. Sure. Why not? Back to class. Oh, my Lord. Can we please have you go back to class?
There's gonna be chaos in the hallway. They're all gonna look the same and it'll be harder for the principal to find her. That's smart.
Ari, come on. Actually, Ari.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Salish. What kind of name is that?
Who names their kid Salish?
You gotta run more, man. Salish!
I'm gonna pretend to vlog myself so I look like a student.
That's actually really smart.
Now Salish is vlogging like she's just one of the students. That's super smart.
All right, we're kind of out in the open here, Salish. We need to find a good hiding spot.
Oh my God, if she doesn't get busted with this challenge, I think I'm gonna lose my credit card again.
But maybe she's close.
Yeah.
Salish, shouldn't you have found a hiding spot before you actually told people about it?
All right, just hide in here.
These are all terrible hiding spaces, Salish. You're gonna get busted.
Oh no, there's spiders in there.
Man, I can't fit in there too.
Oh, hide under the table.
What if she's hiding in the bathroom? That would be a great hiding spot.
One of these dudes left a comment. One of these dudes might have a crush on my daughter. They're all acting like they don't know who she is, though.
How did a girl get into campus? That's kind of impressive, to be honest.
She's gotta be somewhere in here. What the heck?
Come here. Go under that one. Is this bad?
It could work, but...
I'm gonna check in here. Yeah, I will. All right. Yo, I hear something.
Whoa. How did you not see them? Somebody just ran right by her.
Ari, there's way too many people here, and this is just a bad spot. We gotta go. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Come on.
I hear something up here. Hold on.
You hurry up.
Come on. Yo, this closet.
Please be open. Perfect.
If you win, please don't buy a car.
Well, we're on the courtyard right now, looking for Salish.
We put these here. You're the strong one. Put them over there, please. Ari, hurry up.
I think it's Felicia, right?
Salicia!
Or Salad?
I hear them, Ari. Turn off the light. They could see it.
She's right there! She's right there! I don't think they can hear me. I just sound like a crazy man. But I'm actually right outside of the office and she's right there!
The bell rings in 10 minutes. We just have to stay hidden for 10 more minutes and then I win.
Come on, somebody's gotta find her. This is ridiculous.
They're so close.
Guys, there are people right outside and I think they're gonna find us.
Upstairs?